I request everyone to rise for the national anthem as well as the Maharashtra Geet.
जबाब देती जिभा सह्याद्रीचा सिंह गर्जतो शिवशंभू राजा
दरी दरीतून नाद गुंजला महाराष्ट्र माझा
जय महाराष्ट्र माझा जय महाराष्ट्र माझा काळ्या छातीवरी कोरली अभिमानाची लेणी
ओलादी मनगटे खेळती खेळ जीव घेणी
दारिद्र्याच्या उन्हात शिजला
निधळाच्या घामाने भिजला
देश गौरवासाठी झिजला दिल्लीचेही दस्तगाठी तो महाराष्ट्र माझा जय महाराष्ट्र माझा गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा
Jai.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, honorable chief guest, respected guest of honor, principal ma'am, members of management, and my family and friends, and most importantly, the students of People's Education Society's Advocate Balasaheb Apte College of Law.
Welcome to the most awaited event of the year,
Annual Day 2024.
A day filled with enthusiasm, talent, and an unforgettable array of performances.
I, Saurav Desai, from 3rd year BA LLB,
And I, Ritvika Balla, from 1st year BA LLB,
welcome you all to the annual day celebration of Advocate Balasaheb Apte College of Law.
Before we kickstart the event, let us take a moment to acknowledge the hard work and dedication that has gone into making this event a reality. So please put your hands together as we dive into the heart of celebration and learning.
Today, we gather not only to celebrate the Annual Day 2024, but also to mark the beginning of our proceeding with a time-honored tradition that holds deep significance across cultures.
In many traditions, the lighting of the lamp symbolizes the dispelling of darkness with light, the illumination of knowledge over ignorance, and the invocation of auspicious blessings.
I am honored to invite our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Justice P.D. Naik sir, Judge, Bombay High Court, and our guest of honor, Honorable Dr. Ravindra Kulkarni, Vice Chancellor, University of Mumbai, and all the other dignitaries to join us on stage for lighting of the lamp.
As the flame of the lamp ignites, let it symbolize the eternal flame of knowledge that burns within each of us, guiding our paths and illuminating our lives with wisdom and knowledge.
With this, let us embark on a journey together, filled with hope, inspiration, and promise of new beginnings.
Now I would request the respected dignitaries to please take their seats in the audience.
As the glow of the lamp fills the room, let us carry forth the light of knowledge, unity, and positivity throughout this evening.
Thank you everyone who participated in this beautiful ceremony. Now, let us carry the light within us as we continue with the event.
At this evening, filled with divine splendor and artistic brilliance, we embark on the journey of cultural celebration, where we find ourselves humbled by the presence of divinity in every aspect of our lives.
Indeed, it is with great reverence that we invoke the blessings of Lord Ganesha, the harbinger of auspicious beginnings, the remover of obstacles, and the embodiment of wisdom and prosperity. In his honor, we present a unique rendition, a synthesis of devotion and artistry.
So, let us join together in spirit and in heart as we immerse ourselves in this sacred journey. A journey that transcends the boundaries of time and space, connecting us to eternal wisdom and grace of Lord Ganesha. Presenting to you Ganesh Vandana.
गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय हे गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय हे गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सुंदर ओटी शेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव 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 रत्न खचित फरा तुझ गौरी पुरा चंदनाची ओटी कुंकुम केशरा हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभतो बरा झुणझुणती नुपुरे चरणी आगर्या जय देव 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 जय देव
कृतत्ताण लंबोदर कृतत्ताण विघ्नेश्वर कृतत्ताण धातक वेकिट कनक वेकिट कनक वेकिट कृतत्ताण धातक वेकिट कनक वेकिट धातक वेकिट कृतत्ताण कृतत्ताण कृतत्ताण
What a spectacular performance! With each step, the dancers conveyed not just the rhythm of the music, but the essence of devotion that resides within each of our souls.
This was indeed perfection. What a mesmerizing dance offering. Every moment, every gesture was a heartful tribute to Lord Ganesha.
May the blessings of Lord Ganesha continue to inspire us, guide us, and lead us towards enlightenment. Well, 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 ABACL is an institute which not only preaches greatness but also helps us achieve it. As the saying goes, behind every great achievement is a dreamer of great dreams. It is time for us to recognize, acknowledge, and reward these great achievers and dreamers.
Namaskar and a very good evening. Our chief guest for the event, Honorable Shri Justice Prakash Dev Naik, Judge Bombay High Court, and our guest of honor, Honorable Professor Dr. Ravindra Kulkarni Sir, Vice Chancellor, University of Mumbai, Trustees of People's Education Society, Advocate Anjali Hedekar Ma'am, Vice Chairperson People's Education Society, Shri Sharad Satam Sir, Trustee, General Secretary, People's Education Society, Shri Naresh Gada Sir, Trustee, People's Education Society, Honorable Shri Justice Rajesh Patil Sir, esteemed members of legal fraternity, our IC Principal Neha Athavle Ma'am, teaching, non-teaching and support staff, parents and our beloved students. On behalf of People Education Society's Advocate Balasaheb Apte College of Law, I, Neha Bhatt, extend a very warm welcome to all present here for the most awaited college event of the year, Annual Day Celebration. I now request the dignitaries, our chief guest, our guest of honor, Advocate Anjali Ma'am, Satam Sir, Gada Sir, IC Principal Neha Ma'am, to please grace the dais. We also have with us Mangesh Kindre sir, who is trustee, People's Education Society. Please, a huge round of applause. We gather here this evening to celebrate and witness not only accomplishments, but also to reflect on the Herculean highs, the challenges that we've overcome, and the growth that we've experienced throughout the year. Whether it was navigating the challenging curriculum and exams, participating in extracurricular activities, or making new friendships, each year brings its own set of memories and adventures. This academic year, 2023-24, is no exception to it. It was an incredible year, and today we celebrate culmination of another successful academic year by appreciating students' hard work and refuel their enthusiasm to keep themselves motivated for their future endeavors. May I now request our IC Principal Neha Athavale ma'am to give her welcome address and share her thoughts with the audience.
A very good evening, respected Chief Guest, Honorable Shri Justice Prakash Naik, today's guest of honor, Honorable Professor Dr. Ravindra Kulkarni sir, Honorable Shri Justice Rajesh Patil, Trustee Vice Chairperson Advocate Anjali Hekar, Trustee General Secretary Shri Sharad Satam, Trustees Shri Naresh Gada and Shri Mangesh Kindre, all the esteemed members of the Advisory Committee, College Development Committee and College Committee, trustee members of the People's Education Society, esteemed members of the legal fraternity, parents, students, and friends. It is a pleasure to present the Annual Day 2024 of Advocate Balasaheb Apte College of Law. As we gather here today to celebrate the achievements and success of our students in the past year, it fills me with immense pride and joy to witness the remarkable growth and development of our college. I'm delighted to announce that our law college has recently been accredited with an exemplary rating of B++ by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAC. This prestigious recognition is a testament of our unwavering commitment to academic excellence, quality assurance, and continuous improvement. It is a reflection of the collective efforts and dedication of our faculty, staff, and students who have worked tirelessly to uphold the highest standards of legal education. Not to forget the contribution of our alumni, parents, and all the well-wishers for their constant support and help. As we celebrate this significant milestone, let us reaffirm our commitment to excellence in all aspects of our academic pursuit. We have a total of 758 students studying in both 3 and 5 years LLB course. I'm happy to announce that at the term end examinations conducted in December 2023 by the University of Mumbai, the passing percentage is a whopping 90%. I'm pleased to report that our students have once again demonstrated outstanding performances in academic, co-curricular, and extracurricular activities. From achieving academic excellence in examinations by securing top ranks at the university, to participating and excelling in various moot court competitions, debate, cultural events organized by the University of Mumbai and other institutions. Our students have showcased their talent, intellect, and creativity at various platforms. Mrudul Chitransh, Vaibhav Pant, Milan Asati, Aniket Mehta, Tamimuddin Jamadar, Bhuvan Kanvatirth, Akshat Tiwari, Tanmay Deshmukh, Soham Joshi, Siddhi Bhavkar, Khushbu Tiwari, they all have won awards at various prestigious moot court competitions across India. Vaishnavi Prabhudesai and Srushti Kulkarni won awards at the prestigious Youth Festival organized by the University of Mumbai. Shreya Jadhav has made us proud by winning gold in Taekwondo at the University of Mumbai level and then representing the University of Mumbai at the zonals. I congratulate each and every one of you for your remarkable accomplishments. The college is proud of you. I am also pleased to announce that, like every year, we shall be awarding gold medals for academic subject and overall toppers sponsored by legal luminaries from the fraternity. We shall also announce the most awaited Student of the Year award to the most deserving student of the final year from both 3 and 5 year law courses based on the overall performance of the students. This award, comprising of a cash prize and a trophy, has been sponsored by Srimati Urmilatai Apte in the fond memory of late Advocate Balasaheb Apte. Students are assessed basis self-nomination form and an interview conducted by an independent panel. This year, Advocate Ashish Chauhan and Dr. Gaurav Gadge interviewed 6 students from 5 years course, Anay, Vyomesh, Agrani, Kashvi, Ruta and Vaishnavi, and 4 from 3 years course, Dhruvam, Tejas, Maria and Resham, and have unanimously decided the student of the year, which will be revealed later in the day. I also wish to acknowledge the contribution of our teaching faculty who have been the backbone of our college. They all not only engage lectures, but also groom our students through NSS, Moot Court Society, literary and cultural activities. I also wish to acknowledge the efforts of the non-teaching staff who have been tirelessly working throughout the year, at times even on holidays. In our college and generally, students study law from the books. Once they move from classroom to the courtroom or boardroom, they will be living that law. All the esteemed legal fraternities sitting in the auditorium, I humbly request you to be the gurus of our kids, hold their hands and help them walk this difficult path. You will play a pivotal role in shaping this next generation of legal professionals. And your expertise, insights, and mentorship are invaluable resources for our students. I urge all of you to come forward and actively engage with our college by offering guest lectures, seminars, workshops, and internship opportunities. Your guidance and support will not only enrich the academic experience of our students, but also inspire them to excel in their chosen field of law. I would like to extend my utmost gratitude to Honorable Shri Justice Prakash Naik and Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Ravindra Kulkarni sir, for gracing our annual day with their presence. I would personally express my gratitude towards Urmilatai Apte, Senior Advocate Ram Apte, our chairperson, Shri Abhay Savarkar sir, for their constant support and guidance. They could not attend today's event due to prior commitments, and they all have sent their best wishes. I once again welcome and thank you all for joining us and celebrating our students. Let us forget our everyday worries and enjoy the performances put up by my dear students. Wishing you all a wonderful and fulfilling evening and year ahead. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Neha ma'am. Your welcome address was very insightful and truly set the tone for the event. We have been fortunate to have such distinguished guests this evening. Their contributions and achievements speaks volumes. Now, I request Aditya Godbole sir to formally introduce them.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, students. Good evening, everyone present here. I, Professor Aditya Godbole, am here to give you a brief introduction of our chief guest and the guest of honor. Beginning with our chief guest of the evening, Justice P.D. Naik, His Lordship, completed his graduation from St. Xavier's College, Goa in 1983 and pursued LLB degree from Siddharth Law College, Mumbai, and subsequently did his master's in the field of law from University of Mumbai in the year 1988. Justice P.D. Naik began his law practice at the chambers of Shri Shirish Gupte, Senior Advocate and Additional Solicitor General at that time. In the early days of his career, he appeared in both civil as well as criminal cases and subsequently specialized in criminal matters. Justice P.D. Naik appeared in the matters relating to prisoners' rights, illegal detention, preventive detention, parole, furlough, and matters of premature release and remission. He was a member of the committee appointed by Bombay High Court to look into the plight of prisoners and conditions of prisoners in the state of Maharashtra. As a member of this committee, he visited several jails in Maharashtra, interviewed the under-trial prisoners, and recommended improvements in the conditions of the prisoners, and accordingly submitted a report on the same. He was empaneled as a senior advocate by Mumbai Municipal Corporation and represented the corporation in its various proceedings. Along with litigation, he also pursued teaching. He was an honorary lecturer at Siddharth Law College, Mumbai, between 1987 to 88, and a part-time professor at Jitendra Chauhan College of Law. In addition to this, he was also a visiting faculty for LLM course at University of Mumbai between 2011 and 2012. He was elevated as an additional judge of the Bombay High Court on March 17, 2016. Can we have a huge round of applause? Sir, we are honored to have you here. With around 3 decades of teaching experience, Professor Ravindra D. Kulkarni serves as a Vice Chancellor of the University of Mumbai and holds a distinguished career in academia and research. With extensive experience as a director and professor at the University of Institute of Chemical Technology, UICT, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon, as well as various roles in industry and teaching, including R&D officer at Bombay Oil Industries Limited and lecturer at VP College, Gujarat. His expertise spans multiple domains. At the University Institute of Chemical Technology, Professor Kulkarni has imparted valuable knowledge throughout the courses, ranging from chemistry of oils and fatty acids to chemical reaction engineering, leaving a lasting impact on students and academia. Professor Kulkarni has also spearheaded various impactful research and consultancy projects. His academic prowess is reflected in his PhD in chemical technology, and over 80 research publications is esteemed in national and international journals. He is also co-authored with more than 212 research papers published worldwide. He has also conducted training, conferences, and courses on a plethora of subjects. Among his accolades, Professor Kulkarni has been honored as a Fellow of Maharashtra Academy of Sciences and received prestigious awards such as UAAICT Distinguished Alumnus Award for Academics in 2022 and the Best Paper Award in 2006 by Journal of Oil and Color Chemist Association. Professor Kulkarni has made notable contributions to the field with his 7 patents in his chemical technology field. Sir is also the chairperson of the committee formed to implement the new education policy, which we call NEP 2020 in the state. Sir, we are honored to have you here. Can we have a huge round of applause for VC, sir? Now it's our time to felicitate our guests. Now I request Anjali Helekar ma'am, Vice Chairperson of People's Education Society, to felicitate Justice P.D. Naik, Judge, Bombay High Court, with a memento and token of our love and gratitude. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Now I request Sri Sharad Satam, sir, General Secretary of People Education Society, to felicitate Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Ravindra Kulkarni with a memento and a small token of our love and gratitude. Thank you, sir. Can we have a huge round of applause? Thank you, sir. We are all honored to have both of you here. Now I request Neha ma'am to resume the charge of the podium. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, sir. Literature Committee of our college, ABACL, as we fondly call it, is one of its kind and best examples of synergy between law and literature. Under the able guidance of our principal ma'am and leadership of Aditya Godbole sir, or we may call him the editor-in-chief of ABSEL, the Literature Committee undertakes one of the most important tasks of college, that is the annual magazine of college. Within its pages lies the stories of collective journey of our college, the triumphs, the challenges, and the countless memories we have shared throughout the year. From insightful articles and essays to achievements to memorable photographs. It reflects vibrant spirit and rich tapestry of life at our institution. It is only because of the Literature Committee's efforts that every year our college timely publishes magazine on this very occasion. Without further ado, I now request our chief guest, our guest of honor, along with all the dignitaries at the dais to unveil the magazine for the academic year 2023-24. Let's have a huge round of applause. As they are unveiling, please can we have some more claps? Thank you so much. Now I request the dignitaries to please take their seats. Copy of these magazines will be available for everyone and you may collect it from outside the auditorium from the canteen area. And now I can already sense the excitement in the air and that the students are eagerly waiting for this very moment. Yes, it is the time to recognize the hard work and achievement of our outstanding students. So without further delay, let's commence the prize distribution ceremony. Now I call Rajat Ahire sir to announce the academic prizes.
Thank you, Neha ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Professor Rajat Ahire. I'll be presenting the awards for the academic achievements and medals sponsored by our well-wishers. Today, we gather not merely to celebrate the accomplishment, but to commemorate the relentless pursuit of knowledge, the unwavering dedication to excellence, and the boundless potential that resides within each and every one of us. To the recipients of today's awards, I offer my heartiest congratulations. Going ahead, first, we will distribute the awards to the 5-year BA LLB year toppers from 1st year to 5th year, and then we'll distribute the awards to the 3-year general LLB students from 1st year to 3rd year. I request Justice Naik sir to please distribute the award to the students. The first award is the topper of FYBA LLB, which goes to Anshika Sanjeev Malik. The topper of SYBA LLB is Tamimuddin Zamadar. The topper of 3rd year BA LLB is Milan Asati. The topper of 4th year BLLB is Ruta Godbole. The topper of 5th year BLLB is Tanish Bhandari. Tanish Bhandari is not here. We'll move ahead. Ala, okay. The topper of first year general LLB is Ginni Med. The topper of SY General LLB is Resham Sharma. The topper of third year general LLB is Nashra Siddiqui. Thank you, Justice Naik, sir. Can we have a huge round of applause for all the year toppers? Okay, moving ahead. Now we will be distributing awards which are sponsored by our well-wishers to the students who have performed excellently in various subjects. I request Professor Dr. Ravindra Kulkarni, sir, to please distribute the awards to the students. The next category of award is given in the memory of Advocate Vidya Palshikar by Honorable Shri Justice V.G. Palshikar to the highest scorer females of final year of 5-year BA LLB course and final year of 3-year general LLB course, which goes to Akruti Pandey from 5 years BA LLB and Nashra Siddiqui from 3 years general LLB. Can we have a huge round of applause for the toppers? The next category of award is again given in the memory of Advocate Vidya Palshikar by Honorable Shri Justice V.G. Palshikar to the highest scorer students of 5-year BLLB course and 3-year general LLB course, which goes to Tanish Bhandari from 5 years BLLB and Nashra Siddiqui from 3 years general LLB. Okay. The next category of awards is given in the memory of Advocate Kashinath J. Abhyankar by Srimati Gunvanti Abhyankar to the overall topper of 5-year BA LLB course and the overall topper of 3-year general LLB course, which goes to Vanessa Di Brito from 5 years BA LLB and Rahul Raj from 3 years general LLB. The next category of awards is given in the memory of Shri T.S. Narayan by Advocate Raju Subramanian to the highest scorer in any subject of 5-year BLLB course and 3-year general LLB course, which goes to Pooja Isave for being the highest scorer in alternative dispute resolution from 5 years BLLB, and Saili Gangal for being the highest scorer in law relating to women and children from 3 years general LLB. The next category of awards is given in the name of Srimati Gulabi Kuddu Shetty, sponsored by Dr. Krishna Shetty, to the highest scorer in Contract 1 of 5-year BLLB course and 3-year General LLB course, which goes to Milan Asati from 5 years BLLB and Ginni Med from 3 years General LLB. The next category of award is again given in the name of Srimati Gulabi Kuddu Shetty, sponsored by Krishna Shetty, to the highest scorer in law of crimes for 5-year BLLB course and 3-year general LLB course, which goes to Akshat Tiwari from 5 years BLLB and Ginni Med and Tanishk Velhal from 3 years general LLB. The next category of award is given in the memory of Advocate Shrikant M. Dharap by Advocate Anjali Helekar to the highest scorer in labor laws of 5-year BLLB course and 3-year general LLB course, which goes to Diya Devle from 5-year BLLB and Kshitij Munj from 3-year general LLB. Thank you, Ravindra Kulkarni sir. Thank you and congratulations to all the toppers and subject toppers. I request Shriya ma'am to please announce the next category of awards. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone, our esteemed dignitaries, my colleagues, alumni, all the parents, and my dear students. I, Shriya Prabhu, stand before you to announce the most coveted, awaited, and the highly anticipated award. Any guesses? Why are you so down on energy? I expect an enthusiastic response. Correct. The Student of the Year Award. As a law school, we take immense pride in the upward trajectory of our students, right from their admission in our institute till their graduation. We strive hard to impart knowledge and provide opportunities to all students so that their skills and personalities evolve. While everybody makes the most of these opportunities, there are always a few students who capitalize on these opportunities and excel in leaps and bounds. To recognize their efforts, growth, and excellence throughout their academic journey in this college, every year we present the Student of the Year award to one student from 5th year BA LLB and TY General LLB each. We invite applications from final year students, and these applicants are evaluated on various parameters like academics, awards won by them, participation in extra and co-curricular activities, their attendance, active participation in college, to name a few, along with an interview by an external panel. Before I announce the winners, I would like to tell all the other applicants that you all had your own unique journey in the college filled with some downs and many ups. Your determination and dedication have not gone unnoticed. Please remember, it's not always about the result, but the journey you've undertaken to get here. Use this experience as fuel to propel you forward, to push yourself to new heights, and to continue striving for excellence. And for that, we wish you all the best. I know nobody is interested in listening to any of this, and you want me to directly announce the names, so I won't waste much of your time. I request Justice Nayak and Kulkarni sir to felicitate our winners. The winner of the Student of the Year Award for TY General LLB, batch 2021 to 2024. Any guesses? Should I announce it right away? Or should I take some more time? The winner is a student who has always been bold and confident in her demeanor in our college, Ms. Resham Sharma. Congratulations, Resham. Moving on with the award for the 5 years course. Again, any guesses? Should I give you a clue? The winner is a student whose life has come a full circle in our college. She was awarded the Miss Fresher Award, and now she is also taking away the Student of the Year Award. Would you like to guess it now? Correct. Please join me in congratulating Vaishnavi Prabhu Desai for the Student of the Year Award 2019-24. Congratulations, Vaishnavi. Congratulations to all the winners. I now request Neha Bhatt ma'am to take over from here. Thank you.
Thank you, Shriya ma'am. Heartiest congratulations to all the students who have exhibited extraordinary talent, received prizes and recognitions for their achievements. Your back-breaking work, dedication, and determination have paid off, and you deserve to celebrate this success. For those who didn't receive any prizes this time, remember that success comes in many forms, and that everyone has its own unique journey. Let this be an opportunity to reflect your strengths and areas for improvement. Now, we have been fortunate enough to have such distinguished guests with us this evening. Tonight, when academia meets judiciary. Yes, well, we have been waiting to hear the words of wisdom from our guests. I request Honorable Professor Dr. Ravindra Kulkarni sir to enlighten us with his invaluable and inspiring words. Now, I request him to guide our students, please. Sir.
Chief guest of this annual day function, Justice Naik sir, the Vice President of this trustee, Advocate Anjali Helekar, other trustees Satamji and other dignitaries present on the dais, Principal of this college, Dr. Athole Madam, Advocate Neil Helekar, who is sitting in the audience, and all my dear and the most important, my dear students. It's a really very beautiful evening, and naturally on the eve of annual day, the chief guest or guest of honor are supposed to speak very less, because all of you may be waiting for a cheerful evening, cheerful performances which would be presented by your colleagues in this at this particular beautiful evening. But just I would take 5 or 10 minutes to present some of the most inspiring stories, which has been always a source of inspiration in the field of law. Of course, your college carries the name of Advocate Balasaheb Apte, one of the greatest lawyer which we have seen. He was the man of principle. He laid many, besides being a very legal luminary, he played even equally important role in the field of students and youth movements. And of course, he was very much active even on social fronts. Just on account of his really great contribution in the field of students and youth movement, University of Mumbai has started the Center of Studies in Students and Youth Movement in his memory only. One of the greatest alumni which University of Mumbai has, Bharat Ratna Dr. Balasaheb Ambedkar. In fact, he is considered to be the most distinguished alumni of University of Mumbai. He had his degree from University of Mumbai, and in fact, in 1923, he got his doctorate in the field of law from London School of Economics. And in fact, the University of Mumbai conducted an event to commemorate the centenary celebration of the receipt of his PhD thesis in November 1923. And at the same time, he got his sanad as an advocate in same year, and University of Mumbai conducted a separate function in his memory. Some of the greatest stories that we come across as far as the best lawyers in India are concerned, when we look at their stories, we would find that they may not have probably started their career as a lawyer. They wanted to take up something different, and at some point of destiny changed the career, and that is how they became very important or famous, distinguished, illustrious lawyer. The most important example that comes in the mind of that of an advocate Nani Palkhiwala. You must have heard the case, the very important case of Keshavananda Bharati versus government of Kerala, state of Kerala. That is one of the most important case which has been always cited in the field of an academics. It was Advocate Nani Palkhiwala who fought this case, and in fact the result of the case is very distinguishing in the field of law. But if you look at his career, did he start his career as a lawyer? No. In fact, he started taking up like BA in English and subsequently MA in English. He in fact, although we are well aware that his speech on budget is always one of the most important event which is always carried after declaration of the budget. So, but when we look at his career, we find that in the beginning he had some problems, he has some issues even in speaking also. So probably the uniformity or a continuity of the speech, okay, that was a main issue with him, and he, as a result of that, he took the field of MA in English to begin with. And then after getting that degree, he applied for the position of lecturership, but he could not get. Now probably he thought of something different now. And the most important thing, like he immediately tried to overcome his and improved his speaking ability. And when he was interested in switching over the career, when he just thought of getting an admission into the law, because that was immediately available, and that is how he entered into government GLC, Government Law College. And then we know the story, like many legal battles which he has fought. Okay, it itself became a story of inspiration. Another example that we come across in our mind is that of an advocate, Ram Jethmalani. We are well aware that he has fought so many cases, and he is always known for his very skill in articulation of presentation of the various aspects of the law, and he is known for that. He's very skilled in that aspect. But if you read his entire academic career, then we observe that he got his degree in law just at the age of 17 only. Now, when he got his degree and he wanted to take up the legal battle as a lawyer, there he came across a rule given by Bar Council of India that one cannot practice unless one attains the age of 21. Now, the advocate Ram Jethmalani, it is his hunger for fighting the cases immediately, okay, that led himself to fight his own case of allowing him to fight as a lawyer in the court itself. And he presented before Chief Justice one of the important point, that when he joined law degree, that the prevailing law of 21, like requirement of an attainment of an age 21 was never there. He joined that, so had it been known, he would have taken up another decision. But when he joined, that particular rule doesn't exist. And naturally, as a principle of natural justice, he should have been allowed to fight as an advocate. The Chief Justice of India made an exception, and he started fighting the legal battle even at the age of 18 only. So that's one of the important important story that we come across. So that tells you the story of fighting spirit. Another important advocate, a great lawyer, Advocate Harish Salve. We are now well aware about he being taking up many cases, and one of the important case he fought for Government of India at international court is that of an Kulbhushan Jadhav. And in fact, he fought that case in a best possible way, and that is how the Kulbhushan Jadhav got justice at the right time. So, but if you look at what was the beginning of the career of an advocate Harish Salve, he in fact he was never interested to begin with as a career, lawyer, but he just would like to take up the field of an accounts. But then when he started taking the field of accounts, there he realized that you need to have an awareness about the taxation law, and that is how he entered into the field of law. And now we know the various stories of or various inspiring stories of the cases he fought in the field of law. So friends, we come across many important stories, inspiring stories of the lawyers, and that's how, okay, let us take this inspiration and always see that whenever you will achieve your degree, whenever you will get your degree, okay, always take up your career, always to fight for the social justice, to fight for the to fight for the purpose of getting justice to all those who are in need of that. And that is most important contribution that you can give you to your beloved country. As a lawyer or as a so like as an advocate, whenever you would like to take your career, always keep in mind that we are always supposed to be very much inclusive. We are always supposed to be very much in the career so as to provide the justice to the underprivileged sections. And that's the important role which we'll have to play in our career. I hope all of you, while taking up a career as a lawyer, will always remember this important thing, that you are always supposed to fight for one who needs justice most importantly or most significantly. And with that, I just pray for your best career. I extend my best wishes to become a successful lawyer. And of course, I just end up that this is a beautiful evening. Of course, you are a lawyer, but as in the heart, you are a human being. So let us enjoy this beautiful evening and then take up career as a lawyer in the latter stage. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your words have certainly inspired our young minds as they embark on their academic journey. Sir, as you mentioned, the stalwarts of our legal fraternity, Dr. Balasaheb Ambedkar, Advocate Nani Palkhiwala, Advocate Ram Jethmalani, I'm sure our students will follow their footsteps. I'm sure after such encouraging speech by sir, you all are now excited to hear from our chief guest. May I now kindly request Honorable Justice P.D. Naik, sir, with his vast experience and profound insight, to grace us with your words of wisdom.
Good evening, everyone. All right. So you are all alert. All right. Dr. Kulkarni, the guest of honor of today's function, in charge principal, Justice Patil, who is in the audience, my colleague, Advocate Anjali Helekar, the other dignitaries on the dais, the faculty members of this college, the ex-students, alumni of this college, several lawyers who are practicing in the High Court, who are present here for attending this function. Maybe most of them are the ex-students of this college. My dear friends, students, ex-students, parents who have gathered here for this beautiful evening. I am overwhelmed and glad that I have been invited for this annual day. I have been associated with this college when first time I came for admission of my daughter. Thereafter, I was invited for 2 functions as a chief guest and attended those functions. Thereafter, also recently I had come to the college as a parent of the student. My daughter, as I said, my daughter was a student of this college. And today again, I have been invited as the guest for this function. Annual Day is a function which gives an opportunity to the participants, the students, to show their talent. You will be the lawyers, and you are lawyers in making. And I always feel that the lawyers should have all-round knowledge of every subject. The lawyers should be well-versed with all topics, all subjects of law. The annual gathering, which gives an opportunity to all of you to develop yourself. It's not only the bookish knowledge which you are required to gather, a practical knowledge. And you should be a full-fledged human being. We are not going to be a lawyer in the court of law. A successful lawyer is required to put efforts to become a successful lawyer. He doesn't become overnight successful lawyer. And the first requirement for every person who wants to be a successful lawyer is the hard work. Because this profession has a long gestational period. This profession has a long, you require hard work. There is no substitute for the hard work. You have to sit in the night, burn midnight oil. You have to read. You have to understand concepts of law. You have to study the matters. You have to prepare yourself. and then argue your matters in the court of law. This college, as I've said, is producing talented students, and the performance graph of this college is increasing. It's commendable that this is an honor to Advocate Balasaheb Apte, in whose name the college is being started. So congratulations to all the students who have taken admission in this college and who will be the lawyers. Some of them are already lawyers in the courts of law, and all those new generation who will be practicing law in the courts of law. Congratulations to all those participants who have been honored with various awards. Now, award can't be given to every person. Award has to be given to some person. It doesn't mean that others are not competent or they are incompetent. Every student is competent, and every student should identify himself as to what is lacking in him, and he should try to overcome what is lacking in him. Merely because you have not been awarded or even because you have not declared a winner, it doesn't mean that everything has come to an end. Today's loser may be tomorrow's winner. And this habit of winning and losing should be inculcated by a lawyer, because a lawyer doesn't win every case. In every case, there are two lawyers. One for the petitioner, one for the respondent, one for the plaintiff, one for the defendants. And both can't win unless the matter is settled. So there has to be one winner and one loser. But what is required when you are going to a lawyer is that you should get that satisfaction that you have put up 100% efforts in defending your client to whom you are representing in the court of law. If you get that satisfaction, then nothing like it. Your client should feel that you have worked for him. Your client should feel the confidence that you have tried your level best before the court of law, but you couldn't succeed. Because both the sides can't succeed. One has to succeed, one has to lose. In the next matter, you will be the other side who will be the winner, and your opponent may not be win the case. Cases depend upon the case law, what the matter which you argue before the court of law. You have a bad case, you may not win. You have a good case, you may win. But sometimes a difficult case can be won by a lawyer because of the efforts of a lawyer. There, the difference would be as to how you perform before the court of law. Your performance will depend upon the confidence which you have when you appear before the court of law. That confidence can be developed if you know the law, and if you know how to present your case before the court of law. The successful lawyer who presents the case before the court of law has done a hard work. He has studied the matter, he knows the facts of the case, he knows the law, and you know how to present a case before the court of law. If you develop or inculcate all these habits, you won't find any difficulty when you are going to practice law. Presentation before the court of law is one of the important criteria for a lawyer which has to be developed when you are actually practicing the court of law. As a student, we study law, and as a lawyer, we should know as to how practically we have to implement a law and how to utilize it and how to put it before the court of law. Public speaking is one of the important criteria, one of the important factors for every lawyer who will be practicing in the court of law. Public speaking will give you confidence to argue before the court of law. You should have a strong vocabulary, you should have good command over the language, and you should know the law. When we argue before the court of law, we feel scared that other people who are sitting in the court of law may feel that I am not performing well. Don't carry that impression in the mind. What is required? You should be focused. And you would be focused if you know the law, if you know the matter. For that, you have to do homework. And as I said, your strong vocabulary could be if you have command over the language. And the command over the language can be developed by reading. Reading doesn't mean only IPC, CRPC, CPC, or any book of law. Reading may mean any subject. It may be psychology, it may be medical jurisprudence, it can be relating to psychiatry, political science, economics, mathematics, anything. Therefore, it is always said that a lawyer is a person who is all-rounder. All-round in the sense he knows how to handle the matter, what to argue the matter, on what subject. There are vast subjects which are required to argue when you are becoming a lawyer. For instance, criminal lawyers who are practicing in trial courts are required to deal with several witnesses who are expertise in their own field. A lawyer is not an expert in that particular field, but lawyer knows how to cross-examine that particular witness. For example, in a murder case, a lawyer will be required to cross-examine the medical officer, a medical officer who conducts post-mortem. Now, the lawyer is not a doctor. Lawyer has never performed post-mortem. There is no occasion for him to perform post-mortem. Lawyer has not examined any patient. Lawyer not has prescribed any medicines to the patient. But even then, a successful lawyer will see that he would cross-examine the witness and see that his examination in chief, which has reposed in the court of law, could be demolished to see that his client is declared innocent. Handwriting expert. The lawyer is not handwriting expert. He is a lawyer. He has studied, passed out 3-year LLB course or 5-year LLB course. But what is required? He would read handwriting expert books. He will study that subject. He will understand the minor intricacies of that particular subject. And he would cross-examine that witness. Although he is not an expert in that, he will see that the truth comes before the court of law so that his client succeeds and gets justice from the court of law. Dr. Kulkarni has given examples of inspiring personalities, and he rightly said that all the students or everybody in this hall should get inspired with these personalities. And that's why I said, you have to put hard work, and unless you put hard work, it's very difficult for any person to be successful lawyer. When you argue the case before the court of law, you should know what to argue and what not to argue, how to behave in the court of law, how to present yourself before the court of law, what words you use in the court of law. It's not necessary that you should be arrogant before the court of law. You should be submissive. Sometimes aggression comes when you argue before the court, when you feel that your client is being getting injustice. So sometimes the aggression comes. But you have to strike a balance between aggression and being submissive. This practical aspect you will have to master when you actually practice law, actually become a lawyer and go in the court of law and practice and defend the case of your client. The lawyers have played a very important role in this country. The lawyers were freedom fighters. The lawyers have fought for the freedom. The lawyers were lecturers. The lawyers were politicians. The lawyers were legislators. The lawyers were social workers. The lawyers are doing pro bono work. The lawyers are fighting for the justice. The lawyers are protectors of fundamental rights of this country. That's why the lawyer is an important personality in this country. And you can achieve all this with the hard work when you are going to practice in the court of law. Therefore, all these habits you have to develop right from as a student. Because today you are a student, tomorrow you are going to be a lawyer in the court of law. The lawyers are supposed to guide his client. And to guide the client, lawyers is expected to know law. And how would you know the law? If you study law, if you read the law. The citizen doesn't know the changes in law. Citizen doesn't know that the law goes on changing. There are updates in law, new laws come into force. But a lawyer is supposed to know what is the new law which has come, what is the law which has been declared ultra virus the Constitution, what is the amendment which are carrying, what is the effect of amendment, what is the law which will be applicable to the client who approaches you. The client will come without papers to you. This I am telling you because after completion of law, you will be actually in the litigation, you will be handling litigation. The clients will come to you and tell you, this is my case. But it's for you to understand what remedy is available to that person when he approaches you. And you will be able to know that remedy if you know the law. A lawyer is a professional, therefore it is expected that he knows a basic fundamentals so that he can guide his client and advise his client properly. A proper advice will be helpful to the client to get justice. So the justice depends upon what advice you give to your client. And you'll be able to give that advice properly if you study the law, if you understand the law, if you understand the basic concept tenets of the law. For which, as I have said, you have to read. There is no exception for reading and hard work. You have to understand the basic concepts of law. You have to understand what is judicial precedent, what is the binding effect of precedent, what are the cardinal principles of criminal jurisprudence, what are the basic principles when you handle a criminal case, what is burden of proof, when the burden of proof shifts, what are the general exceptions, what are the basic concept of law. If you want to be a civil lawyer, you should understand how to draft a plaint, who should be the parties in the plaint. This reminds me that drafting also is an important factor which everyone will have to inculcate. It always depends upon, particularly in civil cases, how you draft the case. There is the requirement of proper pleadings in the case. So those requirements you should know. You have to develop the habit of drafting, your language, legal language, terminology in the law. All this will depend if you go on reading the law. You should read judgments. You should understand that judgment, keep on reading judgment, that language of law, you should master yourself the language of law and get affiliated to that language. This can be done only if you update yourself with the latest provisions of law. For this, you have to be, as I have said, put on efforts, work hard, be attentive. Even by sitting in the court, you learn so many things. It's not necessary that you should always sit in the library and read the book. Sometimes, even if you don't have matter, start sitting in the court. See how the lawyers are arguing. You may have one subject, one matter with you, but there are several lawyers who are sitting in the court, appearing in the court with different topics, with different type of matters. You can gather the knowledge by sitting in the court, merely sitting in the court, watching them how to argue, watching them what point they are conversing, watching them what law point they have urged, how they have convinced the court, how submissive they were, how they have behaved in the court. All these aspects are very important when you will be a practical lawyer. So master the language, master the law as a student, and when you are going to be a lawyer, see that how you are going to implement it. So how you carry yourself, how you present yourself, how you behave in the court, how you maintain the professional ethics in the court, because the lawyer is an officer of the court. The courts also notices how you behave in the court, whether you are making deliberate false statements in the court, whether you are misleading the court. It's not necessary. And don't run after money immediately when you become lawyer. It takes time. Money will come if you have become a successful lawyer. Right from the day one, you don't expect that you will have that Mercedes and all those luxury cars. It will take time. First, you understand the law, join some senior counsels after you complete your law, learn drafting, start appearing in the court of law, watch your seniors, how they argue. It's not necessary right from the day one you should jump in the profession and should expect that you will learn immediately right from the day one. It will take time. But once you master, once you understand all these concepts, I don't think there would be any difficulty for all of you. Every student of law, every lawyer has to understand constitutional law, because the Constitution is the parent law. All other laws flows from the Indian Constitution. Understand the basic salient features of the Constitution, understand fundamental right, understand the concept, what do you mean by ultra vires of the Constitution. Any law which is ultra vires of the Constitution has to be declared as void. Every law has to be within the four corners of constitutional law. So learn Constitution. Learn procedural laws. Learn how to argue before the court of law. If you understand all this concept, if you understand and learn all these factors, I don't think there will be any difficulty for any student who passes out and actually practice. There are many students from this college who are now become lawyers. I have seen that they are performing well. I was a chief guest in one of the competition, moot court competition, inter-college competition, and team of this college was participating, which I came to know when the winners were declared. They were one of the winners in that college. And I found out they are the students of this college. Of course, the identity is always kept secret. And ultimately, I came to know that, yes, these are the students of this Apte, Advocate Balasaheb Apte College. It's a proud feeling should be for all of you. And we have seen that many students are joining this college because this college has maintained the discipline, the faculty, and that's the reason the students are flocking to this college. We have many students of lawyers, the children of lawyers from the High Court who are actually students of this college. This is because of commendable efforts of the management, the trust of this college, and the faculty, principal, and all the professors, lecturers of this college, because of whose hard work, this is the outcome of the students being good lawyers. I am thankful that you gave me an opportunity by inviting me to this function. And I expect that all the students who are students today will be successful lawyers when they are going to practice law. But don't forget that today you are student, tomorrow also you should be student. You should never feel that I know everything. Even I am student today. I keep on learning from several things from the laws. You should have that feeling that you have to keep on learning every day. You have to be student throughout your life. You should keep on learning. You should never feel that I know everything. When you feel that you know everything, that's the end of the matter. So with this, I conclude the opportunity which given to me. I thank all of you for inviting me for this function.
Thank you, sir. It was really enriching. Sir, as you rightly pointed out, that an advocate needs to be multifaceted, all-rounder, and moreover, over and above all of this, needs to be a learner. A learner always grows, right? Now, I would like to just mention few words. Aprapyam nama na iha asti dhirasya vyavasayinah. There is nothing unattainable to one who has courage and works hard. Every year offers new opportunities for growth, so grab it as it comes your way and make the most of it. Work hard, never lose your sight of your goal, and be the best version of yourself. Here's to incredible journey ahead. Best wishes for your coming academic year. With this, I would like to call Vishal Shinde sir to take the charge of the podium. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Neha ma'am. No, it's not the vote of thanks. It's something different this time. Respected dignitaries on the dais, honorable judges and parents sitting in the audience, and dear students. I'm standing here to announce the inter-college achievements of our students. Our students are good at college level activities, moot court activities, and other activities. And similarly, our college students have performed well in other universities and other affiliated college activities as well. I request our respected VC, Dr. Ravindra Kulkarni sir, to hand over the certificates to the students. I will call the names of the students one by one. Please make it sure to you walk to the stage quickly. Moot court and allied competitive activities, Keyur Atre, Aryan Pabnani, Dharmendra Chaudhary for winning the Best Memorial Award at Gosavi Moot Court competition organized by Gokhale Education Society's Law College. Mridul Chitransh, Vaibhav Pant and Milan Asati for winning the second Best Memorial Award at the Surana and Surana School of Law National Labour Law Moot Court competition. Aniket Mehta, Tamimuddin Jamadar and Bhuvan Kanvatirtha for securing the position of runners-up in the National Virtual Moot Court competition organized by Rayat College of Law, Punjab. Akshay Tiwari, Tanmay Deshmukh and Soham Doshi for securing the position of runner-up in Thakral National Level Moot Court competition organized by Oriental University, Indore. A round of claps for our winners. Siddhi Baukar Tamimuddin Zamadar for winning the Advani National Moot Court Competition organized by Vivekananda Education Society, College of Law. Next we have Khushbu Tiwari, Krishna Kankar and Atharva Wagmode for winning the Best Memorial Award at Moot Court Competition organized by Dayanand Law College, Solapur. A round of claps. Next we have Khushbu Tiwari, who is already on the dais, on the stage, I'm sorry, for winning the consolation prize at the Madhu Lime Intercollegiate Elocution Competition organized by Kirti College, Mumbai. Again we have Khushbu Tiwari for winning the Best Speaker for motion at Vidhi Kiran Debate Competition, Advani College of Law, Advani Law College, Bandra. Khushbu had made a hat-trick of prizes. Congratulations, Khushbu. Keep it up. Thank you, Dr. Ravindra Kulkarni, sir. I request Honorable Justice P.D. Naik, sir, to hand over the certificate further. We have Atharva Wagmode, who secured the second position at state-level online essay competition organized by New Law College, Mumbai. Tamimuddin Zamadar, Riya Sonkar, Anaya Talele won the best award in the National Moot Court Competition organized by PS Dr. Ambedkar College of Law. Virtej Patil, Dipanshi Kaushik for securing the runner-up position in Juris Quizzle organized by KES Law College. In cultural activities, Vaishnavi Prabhudesai Srishti Kulkarni for securing the second position in debate group A Marathi competition at Intercollegiate Cultural Youth Festival organized by University of Mumbai. Vaishnavi Prabhudesai again won the consolation prize in Marathi elocution in Intercollegiate Cultural Youth Festival organized by University of Mumbai. Now I am announcing the sports events. Shreya Jadhav won the gold medal in Taekwondo competition at the Mumbai University in inter-zonal Taekwondo competition. Shreya Jadhav. Aditya Akelikar secured 10th position in chess at Spurti, organized by Bhavans College. Aditya. One more announcement is there. Janvi Wagmode has secured the gold medal in boxing competition organized by Mumbai University. She is a student in third year LLB. A round of claps for Janvi. Now I'll announce Janvi has won the medal in boxing. Gold medal. Now I'm announcing the most popular events, winners, sports winner and Lex Liga. I request Dr. Ravindra Kulkarni sir and P.D. Naik sir both to hand over the trophy jointly. Sports winner, winning contingent Sports Day 2024, contingent, yes, which contingent it was? Red Flames. Contingent leader Radha Naik, Marki Anay Joshi and Rucha Joshi. A round of applause for the sport winners. Green next year. This year it's red. Congratulations to Red Flames. Lastly, we have the Lex Liga winning contingent 2024. Yes. Lex Liga winning contingent. Justice Hidayatullah, contingent leader Vaishnavi Prabhudesai, Marquis Mridul Chitransh, Mihika Doshi. Justice Hidayatullah was the name of the team. Cheers. Round of claps for Lex Liga winners. Thank you so much, Naik sir. Thank you so much, Kulkarni sir. Now I request Professor Viraj Deshpande sir for the vote of thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishal sir. A very good evening to one and all. So as we come to the end of the formal function of the annual day, I, Assistant Professor of Law, Viraj Deshpande, consider this as my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks. On behalf of People's Education Society's Advocate Balasaheb Apte College of Law, I express my sincere gratitude to our Chief Guest, Honorable Justice P.D. Naik sir, Judge, Bombay High Court. It was a delight to hear your thoughts, and I'm sure as future entrants in the legal profession, the students are inspired and will look forward to an exciting journey in the legal profession. Our guest of honor, Professor Dr. Ravindra Kulkarni sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Mumbai. Your presence and speech has motivated the students and everyone connected with the legal academics alike. We extend our thanks for accepting our invitation and taking out time from your busy schedule and gracing the event. We are indeed lucky to have such stellar personalities to grace our annual day 2024. I express gratitude to our ever supportive members of management who encourage us and motivate to conduct such events. I would like to specifically thank Advocate Anjali Helikar Madam, Trustee Vice Chairperson, People's Education Society, Sharad Satam Sir, Trustee General Secretary, People's Education Society, Shri Naresh Gadda Sir, Trustee PS, CA Mangesh Kinare Sir, Trustee PS, and Arun Puranik Sir, Trustee PS. We also acknowledge presence of Justice Rajesh Patil, Judge Shri K.P. Shrikhande, Advocate Neil Helikal Sir, Professor Dr. Anil Varyas Sir. I must express deep appreciation towards esteemed members of legal profession present here who have been associated with our college for many years. We are grateful for your support and hoping for a long association with us. A special thanks is due towards our in-charge principal, Neha Athavale Madam, all teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and support staff of the college, as an event like this requires planning and hard work, which was shown by the dedicated staff members of the institution. We would also like to give a special thanks to Mr. Vinod Gaikar and team for direction of the skits and arrangements of lights and music, Shri Devji Patavale, Shri Graphics, designer of the souvenir which is released, and also to Akshay Enterprises printer of the souvenir. Mr. Mahesh Gujar for photography, and the management of the Swatantraveer Savarkar Rashtriya Smarak for support of this event. I would be failing in my duty if I do not mention the student volunteers team and the participants who have worked very hard for cultural performances and happily helping us to conduct this grand event. And lastly, to all our dear students, alumni, parents, and winners of the prizes, we remain ever grateful to you for gracing this occasion and truly adding colors to this spectacular event. That's it from my side. The formal function has ended. Stay tuned for the delightful performances. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much, dignitaries.
हॅलो, काहीच वेळात आपल्यासमोर सादर होते स्किट. धन्यवाद.
In 1-4. Guys, an announcement. There will be no break. We will be starting with drama right away. Thank you.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
भाव्या भाई मला हा फोको हा लाईट दे बाकी लेफ्ट एरिया दे राइट एरिया दे राइट एरिया दे राइट एरिया हा राइट एरिया बराबर बराबर फूट ओके चलो फुल पावर हा ठीक आहे फूट दे मला परत फूट तो पडद्यामुळे हल्लाय मध्ये फोको दे. फोको. ओके, एक मिनिट थांब, मी सांगतो. हा, लाईट बंद करायला कोणाकडे येते?
हॅलो.
हा बोल. दादा, लाईट दादा, लाईट वाले दादा, हे खालीच आहेत रे, इथे नाहीये. अरे नाहीये तिथे कोणी. काय बोल? लाईट दादा, लास्ट विंग मध्ये तो बाहेर येत नाहीये. कुठले कुठले? लास्ट विंग मध्ये. लाईट दादा, लाईट दादा, लाईट दादा, लाईट दादा, लाईट दादा, लाईट दादा. हे भावेश पहिल्याच रांगेत बसलेत बघ. फोन कर. नाही तर जाऊ दे, चल चालू करूया, नसले तरी चालेल. चालेल आहे? हा चालेल चालेल. पण एकांकिकेला, एकांकिकेच्या वेळेला हे चालणार आहे तुला? चल मग चल. होईल का पण? खाली येतो, आलो. ऑन द बेस्ट. बस बस.
हॅलो, चेक चेक साऊंड. हॅलो हॅलो हॅलो, तो रिवर्ब दे ना मला. हॅलो हॅलो, चेक चेक साऊंड. हॅलो 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 हॅलो. मस्त.
भावेश, जनरल दे, जनरल दे. हा थांब.
सुस्वागतम. तुमच्या सगळ्यांचं स्वागत आहे वर्ल्डच्या बेस्ट पोलीस चॅम्पियनशिप मध्ये. माझ्या डाव्या बाजूला आहे वर्ल्डचे बेस्ट पोलीस आणि माझ्या उजव्या बाजूला आहे अस्वल, ज्याला आपल्याला जंगलात सोडायचं आहे. या अस्वलाला जे पोलीस कमीत कमी वेळात पकडून घेऊन येतील ते असतील या स्पर्धेचे विजेता. आता आपण वळूया स्पर्धकांकडे. आपले पहिले स्पर्धक आहेत USA चे FBI.
FBI, the world's best police force is here. Open up.
आपले दुसरे स्पर्धक आहेत द स्कॉटलँड यार्ड.
We serve, we protect, we preserve. We are the Scotland Yard.
आणि आपले तिसरे स्पर्धक आहेत आपलेच मुंबई पोलीस.
हे थांब.
आता आपण वळूया स्पर्धेकडे. आता आपण या अस्वलाला जंगलात सोडलेलं आहे. आता आपले पहिले स्पर्धक FBI. तुमची वेळ सुरू होते आता.
FBI, here we come. Let's go.
Oh my God. फक्त 15 मिनिटात. फक्त 15 मिनिटात आणि या अस्वलाला आणलेलं आहे. आता आपण या अस्वलाला परत जंगलात सोडूया. आणि आता आपले दुसरे स्पर्धक स्कॉटलँड यार्ड. तुमची वेळ सुरू होते आता.
We serve, we protect, we... झालं ना एकदा? चल जा. हो, 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 हो. हो, 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 हो.
टाळ्या, टाळ्या, टाळ्या. अवघ्या 10 मिनिटात. अवघ्या 10 मिनिटात आणि या अस्वलाला आणलंय. टाळ्या. आता आपण या अस्वलाला परत जंगलात सोडूया. आणि आता आपले तिसरे स्पर्धक मुंबई गेले. अरे वा वा वा. 2 मिनिटात. फक्त 2 मिनिटात आणि अस्वल. हे तर माकड आहे.
कोण बोलला माकड आहे?
नाही, मी माकड नाही. मी अस्वलच आहे. रंगदेवता श्री गणेश
आणि नाट्यरसिकांना
विनम्र अभिवादन करून
ऍडव्होकेट बाळासाहेब आपटे कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ
सहर्ष सविने
सादर करीत आहे
मुंबई पोलीस.
थांबव थांबव थांबव. हो थांबलोय. लायसन्स आहे हो. गाडीचे पेपर हो. PUC हो. वास येतोय हो. वास येतोय हो. अरे वास येतोय वास हो. पण माझा नाही तुमच्या तोंडाचा.
अरे या या. देशमुख मॅडम पवारता या. का आलात? आलात का? काय नाही, जरा शॉपिंग करायची होती. दुपलं दुकान समजा. आपलं दुकान समजा. सांगा ना काय काढू? आईसाठी एक पटोला द्या. मावशीसाठी 2 काष्टी द्या. बहिणीसाठी 3 नऊवारी द्या. वहिनीसाठी 4 बनारसी द्या. आत्ते बहिणीसाठी 9 काश्मीरी द्या. मावस बहिणीसाठी 12 काठपदरी द्या. आणि शेजाऱ्यांसाठी 2 नारायण पेठ. माझ्या मोलकणीसाठी 2 मधुबनी द्या.
अहो संपल्या.
मॅडम तुमच्या टोटल बिल 25,000 रुपये झाले. 25,000 खात्यात टाका. खात्यात? हो आहोतच आम्ही.
मुंबई पोलीस. डागाला लागली लाइटिंग मामा मामीची फाइटिंग. मॅडम 2 गाव पुलाव 2 गडा पावभाजी. बसून का?
ए मोती जा जरा 4 नंबर टेबल
वर. मावशी
जा जा बघ.
बघतो. काय बोला साहेब काय ऑर्डर? गाडीत किती माणसं आहेत रे? असतील 8-10. 8-10. 18 पावभाजी. 18 तुला येतं काम कर. 18 पावभाजी 8 पुलाव आणि 5 लादी पाव. मस्का मारून. हा मस्का मारून पार्सल कर पटपट. साहेब 1200 रुपये झाले. 1200? ए मावशी, नवीन आहे का पोरगा? याला माहित नाही कोण होत आम्ही ते.
मुंबई पोलीस.
मामा तुझा बाप. हे थांब रे. माणूस कीच्या शत्रू संगे युद्ध आमचे सुरू. जिंकू किंवा मरू दे ना यार.
चालला तो.
ओ मोरे, आता या पोटाने नाही जमतो.
अहो साहेब, पोटासाठीच तर करतोय आपण.
ओ साहेब, गेला तो. माझी पर्स.
पर्स पहिले पोलीस स्टेशनला येऊन तक्रार नोंदवा.
तक्रार? आहातच तुम्ही मुंबई पोलीस.
मुंबई पोलीस तुमच्या आमच्या नजरेतले, पण प्रत्यक्षात गणबाई मोगरा गणाची साडी. गणबाई मोगरा गणाची साडी. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया. अरे वहिनी, आज दादा चक्क घरी.
अहो ह्या पोलीसवाल्यांचं काय, कधी असतात कधी नसतात.
अरे तू हिचा कसला ऐकतो. साहेबांना रिक्वेस्ट करून विसर्जनासाठी 4 तासाची मुदत मागून आलोय. आणि माहितीये काय, बँजो पण बुक केलाय.
साहेबांचा फोन आला.
साहेबांचा? हा साहेब, कुठपर्यंत पोहोचलात? अहो येता ना घरी दर्शनाला. बायकोनी तुमच्या आवडीच्या पुरणपोळ्या देखील बनवल्यात. हो. अहो मी कुठे राहतो? नाना चौकात. हा तिथून अगदी 2. आत्ता? अहो पण साहेब, घरच्या गणपतीचं विसर्जन. हो साहेब, लगेच येतो. जय हिंद. अरे स्वप्नील.
हा दादा.
अरे आपल्या बाप्पाचं विसर्जन करशील का रे?
का रे, काय झालं?
चौपाटीवर 2 गटांमध्ये बाचाबाची झाली. साहेबांनी लगेच स्पॉटवर बोलवलंय. जवळ राहतो ना मी.
मला पण तुझी मुदत. वहिनी,
अहो आपल्या घरचा गणपती आहे.
गणपती बाप्पा मोरया. गणपती मोरया. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया.
ओ राणे.
ओ मोरे, लहान मुलीला बघा तिकडे. लाईटचा किती दिला? ओ पॉल मॅडम, तुम्ही तिकडे जा. हा बोल गा.
अहो कुठे आहात तुम्ही?
मी दादर मध्ये आहे.
दादर? तुमची ड्युटी तर बायका स्टेशनला होती.
अगं हिंदमाताला पाणी साचलंय ना, तिथे शिफ्ट केलं आम्हाला आता.
हिंदमाता? अहो तिकडे तर कमरेवर पाणी साचलंय.
मग त्याच पाण्यात उभा आहे मी. आणि नाकापर्यंत पाणी आलं तरी जास्त हलायचं नाही अशा ऑर्डर्स आहेत आम्हाला वरून.
अहो पण
अगं तू फोन ठेव ग.
आई बाबा, मी वर्गात पहिली आले.
अरे वा.
व्हेरी गुड बेटा. आजीच्या आणि देवाच्या पाया पडून घे पटकन. आजी,
मीनू, हाय.
हाय. तुम्हाला माहिती का, मी वर्गात पहिली आले. 94%.
मला तर फक्त 60%. मी तर फक्त पास झालो. तरी पण माहितीये, आमच्या बाबांनी ना आम्हाला प्रॉमिस केलं होतं की आम्ही पास झालो ना की ते आम्हाला स्वित्झर्लंडला घेऊन जाणार.
स्वित्झर्लंड खूप छान.
हो. आणि तुला माहितीये का, स्वित्झर्लंडला ना बर्फाचा पाऊस पण पडतो. हा, आम्ही ना पहिल्यांदाच विमानात बसणार आहोत.
मी पण माझ्या मामाच्या गावी जाणार एसटीने.
एसटीने? तू एसटीने जाणार, आम्ही तर विमानाने जाणार. आणि तुला माहितीये का, आम्हाला ना खूप मज्जा येणार कारण आमच्या बाबांनी प्रॉमिस पूर्ण केलंय ना.
माझे बाबा पण माझी प्रॉमिस पूर्ण करणार. बाय
बाय.
बाबा बाबा, तुम्ही पण मला प्रॉमिस केला होता वर्गात पहिली आल्यावर कम्प्युटर घेणार म्हणून.
हो बेटा, मी पण प्रॉमिस पूर्ण करणार तुझं.
येस. आई.
हॅलो शेळके. हा, आपला पगार कधी येणार आहे? अहो काही नाही हो, मुलीचा रिझल्ट आला. पहिली आली ती वर्गात. हो, 94%. तिला कम्प्युटर घेऊन देण्याचा प्रॉमिस केलं होतं म्हणून विचारत होतो. कधी येणार आहे पगार आपला? काय? पुढच्या महिन्यात? अहो पुढचा महिना करत गेल्या 2 महिन्यापासून पगार नाहीये. लोन तुम्हाला माहिती आहे ना, ज्या बँकेत आपल्या सॅलरी अकाउंट आहे ती बँक सुद्धा आपल्याला लोन द्यायला तयार नाहीये.
बाबा बाबा, मला कम्प्युटर नकोय.
गेलोय मी देखील, पण या अतिरेकांच्या भ्याड हल्ल्यात नाही तर त्याही आधी खूप खूप मागे जेव्हा पोलीस प्रशिक्षण घेऊन ड्युटीवर जॉईन झाल्यावर पहिल्याच दिवशी साहेबांनी घरी भाजी पोचवायला सांगितली ना, त्याच दिवशी मेलोय आम्ही. हक्काचं प्रमोशन अहो ते मिळवण्यासाठी साहेबांना 55 इंचाचा LED टीव्ही गिफ्ट करावा लागला. त्याच दिवशी मेलोय आम्ही. अगदी जीवावर बेतून सहकाऱ्यांच्या प्राणांची आहुती देऊन पकडल्या गेल्या अतिरेकांना जेव्हा सोडावं लागलं, ते देखील एका फुटकाळ मंत्र्यासाठी. त्याच दिवशी मेलाय आमचा आत्मा. कर्तव्य दक्षतेचा जेव्हा मागितला गेला हिशोब, झाडला गेला प्रत्येक गोळीचा, जाळले गेले आमचेच भाऊबंध आमच्याच नजरे देखत, त्याच दिवशी, खर तर त्याच दिवशी मेलोय आम्ही. पण लागला नाही लेबल शहीद झाल्याचा.
भाऊक झालात.
हो पोलीस असलं म्हणून काय झालं, शेवटी माणूस तर आहोतच ना. आणि काम काम म्हणजे किती काम हो. सणसूद, मुलांचे वाढदिवस, गाव, पिकनिक, हे सगळं आमच्या नशिबात नसतं. आम्ही नुसते आमच्या ड्युट्या करत असतो दिवस रात्र, मुलांना अंथरुणातच मोठे होताना बघणारे त्यांचे अभागी बाप बनून.
साहेब तुमच्याकडून कॉल आलाय, तुमच्या आईला ऍडमिट केलेलं आहे.
काय काय झालं? हॅलो, काय झालं आईला? साहेब भिवंडीला दंगल झाले, सरांनी ताबडतोब बोलावले तुम्हाला स्पॉटवर. मोरे तुम्ही ताबडतोब हॉस्पिटलला पोचा, सांगा मी लगेच येतोय. हो सर, लगेच येतो स्पॉटवर. जय हिंद. रक्षण करू आणि वाईटाचा विनाश करू. संरक्षणाय खलनिग्रहाय.
Hello.
What an incredible performance. I don't think anyone could have pulled off the end of this segment with a bang better than the drama crew.
Kudos to the entire drama crew for their astonishing portrayal of characters.
Once again, can we have a huge round of applause for all of them, please? Now, this segment comes to an end.
We officially hand over the mic to the anchors of the next segment. Thank you.
Thank you.
काजळ लावणे आले मी आज, असं नका बघू अहो येते मला लाज. केला शृंगार आज घातला असाच, दिसते मी भारी जणू अप्सरा मी खास नखरे वाली कुठे निघाली घालून साडी लाल गुलाबी पागल करते तुझे मोरनीशी चाल गुलाबी साडी आणि लाली लाल लाल दिसते मी भारी राजा फोटो माझा काढ.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Wow, Aniket, look at all of this glitter and glamour over here tonight. Our very own audience in such sharp outfits, looking drop-dead gorgeous as usual. Our very skilled dancers kicking the evening off with the enchanting Ganesh Vandana, and our very talented actors putting up a show in honor of the Mumbai Police.
Indeed, Resham. After watching the start, all I can say is, ये शाम मस्तानी हो या ना हो शानदार जरूर होगी. But wait, shouldn't we introduce ourselves first?
As if there's someone here tonight who wouldn't know the two of us.
Oof. But for those of you all who don't know us, I, Aniket Mehta, a student of third year BA LLB,
And I, Resham Sharma, a student of third year General LLB,
are your very talented and very attractive hosts for this segment of today's evening.
Today, at the annual day of PES's Advocate Balasaheb Apte College of Law, we would not only celebrate academics, but also be mesmerized by the talent that awaits us. We would not only pave way for achievements, but also create memories to be etched in our minds forever.
So relax, sit back, and hold on to your seats as you await to be mesmerized, inspired, and impressed. But everything apart, I must say, wow, Resham, खूप लावण्यवती दिसतेस.
What does lavanya mean?
I am pretty sure all my Marathi folks in the audience know the meaning of the word lavanya. And you, madam, are the personification of that word.
Are you mocking me or appreciating me?
Arey, lavanya means beauty, and what's more beautiful than a nakhre wali girl in a gulabi sari?
कोई point है इन बातों का?
Of course है. Authentic Maharashtrian dance tradition enjoy करना चाहते हो? आ जाओ boss, दिखा दूंगा. Our very next performance will paint the stage with its graceful movements and electrifying energy by adding a touch of our Maharashtrian culture to it.
Ah, now I see what you're indicating towards. But for those in the audience who aren't able to connect the dots just yet, Lavani, Maharashtra's traditional folk dance, is derived from the word Lavanya. Lavani is a dance which is performed on the fast beats of dholki and also has a sensual grace associated with it, while also dealing with different and varied topics like society, religion, politics, romance, etc. In the world of Lavani, the dance doesn't just move your feet, it moves your soul.
Okay, Google, please stop now.
All right then, let's move on to our very next performance. Put your hands together for the very talented dancers who are raring to set the stage on fire by performing the folk dance of Maharashtra, Lavani.
ढोलकीच्या तालावर घुंगराच्या बोलावर मी नाचते मी डोलते इश्काच्या दरबारात ढोलकीच्या तालावर घुंगराच्या बोलावर मी नाचते मी डोलते इश्काच्या दरबारात ढोलकीच्या तालावर घुंगराच्या बोलावर अव हे गाव लई नारळीत थंडगार वार ह्याला गरम शिणगार सोसना याला गरम शिणगार सोसना याचा आदर्शाचा तोरा ह्याचा कागदाई कोरा इथं शाहिरी लेखणी पोचना इथं शाहिरी लेखणी पोचना इथं वरण भाताची गोडी र नको फुकट छेडा छेडी र अरे सोंग ढोंगचा बाजार हितला सासूद घालतोय आळी मिळी अन सार वरपती रसा भुरकती घरात पोळी अन बाहेर नाही
अग चटक चांदणे चतुर कामिनी काय म्हणू तुला तू हायस तरी कोण
कोण
वय वय कोण
छबीदार छबी मी तोऱ्यात उभी छबीदार छबी मी तोऱ्यात उभी दशे कांदणे चमचम नभी आवदाजी बा गावात होईल शोभा हे वागणं बरं नव आवदाजी बा गावात होईल शोभा हे वागणं बरं नव आवदाजी बा गावात होईल शोभा हे वागणं बरं नव दही दूध लोणी घागर भरून नेऊ कशी बाजारे दही दूध लोणी घागर भरून नेऊ कशी बाजारे बावरले मी सावरले गाजाऊ कशी चोरून बाये मथुरेच्या बाजारी कशी मी जाऊ मथुरेच्या बाजारी कशी मी जाऊ मथुरेच्या बाजारी नटखट भारी किसन मुरारी टपला यमुना तेरी नटखट भारी किसन मुरारी टपला यमुना तेरी करतोय खोडी घागर फोडी जाऊ कशी चोरून बाये मथुरेच्या बाजारी कशी मी जाऊ मथुरेच्या बाजारी कशी मी जाऊ मथुरेच्या बाजारी
That was quite some performance by a very elegant Marathi Mulgis in their apratim attires. Please give them a huge round of applause. And for our very next performance,
Wait, Aniket, don't you think our wonderful audience deserves a break?
well, yeah, hasn't this been a roller coaster ride already? Now I would request the audience to please take a 10-minute break and we'll be right back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Mic check, enthusiasm check, excitement check, all good. Welcome back to the second half of this evening. Up until now, we have seen mesmerizing dance performances, mind-blowing acting skills, and the ever-inspiring list of achievers. But if you thought the talent of ABACL could be restricted to only these performances, you were highly mistaken. My co-host over here has a shairi for all the couples and heartbroken singles in the audience over here tonight.
अर्ज किया है
Irshad, Irshad.
अर्ज किया है इश्क के ख्याल बहुत है इश्क के चर्चे बहुत है इश्क के ख्याल बहुत है इश्क के चर्चे बहुत है सोचा हम भी कर ले इश्क पर सुना है इश्क में खर्चे बहुत है You know, Resham, even I have always dreamt to experience college romance. The shyness, the hiding it from your friends, the eye contact, the fights, the rough patches, the breakups, and the patch-ups.
तुम्हारा पता नहीं, मेरा तो बढ़िया चल रहा है. And anyhow, in your case, it's better that some dreams just be left off as dreams.
Don't divert from the topic, yaar. Just help me live through college romance once. Just once.
Don't worry, my co-host. ABACL has got you covered.
Is the college gonna find a girl for me now?
Absolutely not. But the students of ABACL can help you, me, and all of us in the audience imagine, relive, and cherish the moments of college romance.
Ladies and gentlemen, for our next performance, please give the performers a welcome with the claps of thunder as they perform a drama in the form of Ekankika.
जिंदगी 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 हाँ जिंदगी 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 दोस्तों की दुनियादारी में हंसी मेरी जिंदगी ऐसा क्या हुआ रे ऐसा क्यों हुआ रे फटता शॉट न छोड़े थोड़ा कश मार ले सावकाश मार रे हल्की हल्की किक बसू दे सारे गम छोड़ दे एकदम मोड़ ले स्मोक में ही हो तो है प्यारे मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया हर फिक्र को हुए मैं उड़ाता चला गया मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया हर फिक्र को हुए मैं उड़ा जिंदगी 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 हाँ जिंदगी 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 दोस्तों की दुनियादारी में हंसी मेरी जिंदगी
साला ही गँगच वेगळी होती
पकड़ तू क्या पागल के रे कॉफी के पैसे तू भरने वाला है पता है ना यार तू पहले ये बता कॉलेज बंक करके क्या टाइम पास करने के लिए बुला है नहीं हम लास्ट ईयर में हैं यार रोहित थोड़ा तो सीरियस हो जा
यार मेरा एक प्रॉब्लम हो गया यार
प्रॉब्लम
So, what's the problematic problem, Mr. Problem? यार मेरी वाट लग गई है यार लाले क्या हुआ बता मुझे प्यार हो गया है क्या रोहित को प्यार
क्या रोहित को प्यार
क्या प्यार हुआ रोहित को
सुनो रोहित को प्यार हो गया कॉलेज वालों बारह गांव वालों सुनो रोहित को प्यार हो गया अरे मुंबई वालों भारतवासियों रोहित को प्यार हो गया
हाँ
अब इसके इतने बड़े प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कैसे करेगा
यार लाले आखिरकार तुझे प्यार हो ही गया जरा उस प्यार के बारे में सोच उसे जरा फील कर रात भर से वही कर रहा हूँ उसी के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ यार
अयो ये क्या पागल जैसे बातें कर रहा है
ए चुप तू बता कौन है कहाँ मिली यार सनी वो अपने कॉलेज की है अपने कॉलेज की है तुझे पता है ना मैं उससे इंस्टा पे भी बात करता हूँ उसका नाम तो बता रोशनी मेहरा रोशनी मेहरा
क्या रोशनी मेहरा
क्या मेहरा रोशनी
हाँ रोशनी मेरा कॉलेज वालों बारह गांव वालों वही है उसका नाम रोशनी मेरा
हाँ ये रोशनी मेहरा कौन है फर्स्ट ईयर है यार क्या हॉट है उसे देखते ही ना मेरा दिल ब्लास्ट हो जाता है ओ बच्चा बड़ा हो गया
बड़ा नहीं येड़ा हो गया येड़ा आधे से ज्यादा कॉलेज पागल है उसके पीछे
अरे आधा नहीं पूरा का पूरा कॉलेज पागल है उसके पीछे ये तो छोड़ अपना चाय वाला भी पागल है क्या नहीं दो स्पेशल बना दो नहीं 4 एक बात तो रोहित तेरे ख्वाब बहुत बड़े बड़े हैं यार
अरे ख्वाबों के परिंदे पहले उसकी बात सुन तो ले और वैसे भी कॉफी के पैसे वो भरने वाला है
यार सनी लेकिन एक और प्रॉब्लम है यार लाले प्यार में प्यार में ना बस प्यार होता है। अरे लेकिन वो समझती है कि तू रोहित है। क्या तू रोहित है?
क्या तू रोहित है?
क्या रोहित तू है? एक सेकंड, कैसे? अरे वो मेरे प्रोफाइल पिक्चर में तेरी भी तो फोटो है ना, और उसने उसमें कमेंट भी किया है। क्या कमेंट किया? सुपर। इतनी सी बात ना, तो जाके उसको बोल दे कि तू ही असली रोहित है। ए यार नहीं, कुछ चालू होने से पहले ही खत्म हो जाएगा। तेरे को कितनी बार बोला है मैंने कि मेरा फोटो अपने प्रोफाइल में अपलोड मत किया कर। अरे यार वो गलती से अपलोड हो गया।
वो देख आ गई वो।
पहला नशा पहला खुमार, नया प्यार है नया इंतजार, कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाथ, ऐ दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता। पहला नशा पहला खुमार।
आज ही वक्त से पहले ही आ गई। कुछ करना यार। यार लाले टेंशन मत ले रे, मैं हूं ना। मेरे पास एक आइडिया है। वेंकी सुनो सब लोग, मैं उसके पास जाता हूँ, अफेयर करता हूँ, बाद में ब्रेकअप कर लूंगा, फिर तू उसके पास जाना, उसके आंसू पोंछना, फिर तुम दोनों का अफेयर। कैसा लगा आइडिया? एकदम फालतू। पकड़ तू सुन, तू ना एकदम डिट्टो जानी लीवर, एकदम डिट्टो जानी लीवर। और वो देख, वो दीपिका पादुकोण। अरे तुम दोनों का कैसा कुछ हो सकता है? कैसा? अरे अगर उस चाल को धनश्री मिल सकती है, तो अपने ही जॉनी लीवर को वो दीपिका क्यों नहीं मिल सकती? अरे रोहित, तेरा फिर मैं करवा करूंगा। चल, ये ना पक्का डुबाएगा, लिख के ले, पक्का डुबाएगा। वॉच। हे स्वीटी, हाय, आई एम सनी।
सनी को सनसनी।
ये देख, ये सनी बोला था कुछ नहीं होने वाला तुम लोग का।
ए चुप, उसने मुझे द ग्रेट सनी को थप्पड़ मारा है। यार सनी, लेकिन
एक्सक्यूज मी, आई एम सॉरी, मुझे डेयर दिया गया था, तुम चारों में से किसी एक को थप्पड़ मारना था और तुम सामने आ गए।
ओह डेयर, जस्ट वन सेकंड। डेयर दिया था, या कंटिन्यू।
तुम्हें लगी क्या?
लगा 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 रे लगा प्रेम रो, लगा लगा रे।
बाय द वे, आई एम रोशनी मेहरा।
हाय।
तुम रोहित हो ना?
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
हम एफबी फ्रेंड्स हैं।
हाँ।
मैं फाइनली किसी एफबी फ्रेंड को ऐसे फेस टू फेस मिली हूँ।
या फेस टू फेस।
एक दिल की बात बोलूं?
बोलो ना।
Can I get your personal number?
Sure. ये उसको मेरा नंबर देना। नहीं।
नहीं।
अरे उसको मेरा नंबर देना। नहीं। ना रे।
अरे कितने 9 है?
अरे नहीं, ऐसे बोल रहा था, ठीक से लेना। 9922 1212 00 यस। मेरा फोन इसके पास, इसका फोन मेरे पास, कैसे? एक्सचेंज। हम लोग एक्सचेंज खेलते हैं, हम लोग फोन एक्सचेंज करते हैं, हम लोग गाड़ी एक्सचेंज करते हैं, हम लोग घड़ी भी एक्सचेंज करते हैं। हाँ, ये लोग चड्डी भी एक्सचेंज करते हैं। चुप। देखो तुम्हारा नंबर आ गया मेरे पास, सेव कर लेता हूँ। रोशनी।
ओके देन, बाय।
अरे इंट्रो तो करा। बाय द वे, दिस वे। These are my friends, Venki, Sudo, Bhumi, Rohit. Rohit, Sunny, Rohit.
Okay, see you.
Bye.
रोशनी सुन।
श्रेया बाय।
रोहित तेरा तो बत्ता कट यार, वो तो सनी पे फुल फिदा है।
दोस्त दोस्त ला रहा, प्यार प्यार ला रहा।
ए हट रे, ए चुप रे, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है हम दोनों के बीच में, समझा ना?
अच्छा बेट लगा, अगर रोहित तेरी सेटिंग हुई ना उसके साथ तो पूरी महीने की कॉफी मेरी तरफ से।
हाँ, चलेगा चलेगा, वो 1212 पेंडिंग है।
रोहित तेरा अफेयर ना मैं करवा के रहूंगा। यार सनी लेकिन एक और प्रॉब्लम है। क्या?
वो बहुत इंग्लिश बोलती है रे।
इतनी सी बात, जाग जा, अब हम उसे मराठी बुलवाएंगे। जय हिंद,
जय महाराष्ट्र। हे सनी, ती आणि मराठी बोलणार?
बोलणार, मराठीतच बोलणार। अरे आज से मैं रोहित, ये सनी।
क्या? तू रोहित और ये सनी?
हाँ मैं बताता, चल। अरे सुनते जा रे, थोड़ा सुनते जा रे, ऐसा नहीं होता।
समझा सबको, आज से ये रोहित और वो सनी।
गोलमाल है भाई, सब गोलमाल है, हर सीधे रास्ते।
रंग देवता श्री गणेश और नाट्य गण को विनम्र अभिवादन करके एडवोकेट बालासाहेब आपटे कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ पेश कर रहे हैं 1899। लेखक ओंकार राव, दिग्दर्शक विनोद गायकर, रोहित जाधव, लाइट्स भावेश शिंदे, म्यूजिक शर्मिक जाधव, कार्तिक माने, स्पेशल थैंक युवराज, रुद्र, अभिषेक, ओंकार, सिद्धेश पेश कर रहे हैं 1899।
और रोहित की मुलाकात, अब सुनते हैं उनके दिल की बात।
मेरे मन ये बता दे तू किस ओर चला है तू, क्या पाया नहीं तूने, क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू, जो है अनकही, जो है अनसुनी, वो बात क्या।
उसने अगर इंग्लिश में बात की तो, पर कभी ना कभी तो उसे कॉल करना ही पड़ेगा ना। सोच लो।
स्टूपिड, 4 घंटे से नंबर दिया है, अभी तक कॉल नहीं किया। Should I call him?
No, just no. Why should I call?
Call him यार।
हाय रोहित।
हाय रोशनी। हाय हाय, मतलब तुम्हारे पास, तुम्हें कैसे पता चला कि मैं हूँ?
Stupid, I have your cell number ना dude. Don't you remember? We exchanged numbers this morning.
इंग्लिश बोला था मैंने तुम्हें, अब क्या?
या
What happened to your voice?
I have a little coughing and fever also.
Little coughing.
Oh my God.
Actually, afternoon, cold water drink and my throat, my throat paining.
कहना क्या चाहते हो?
होश हिंदी। हाँ वो मेरे को सर्दी और जुकाम है।
सर्दी और जुकाम नहीं, उसकी इंग्लिश को कोरोना हुआ है। What are your plans for tomorrow? Are you coming for that college event?
क्या हम हिंदी में बात करें?
ठीक है।
रोशनी, तुम्हें चलेगा क्या अगर मैंने तुम्हें कॉल किया तो?
Stupid, फोन नंबर क्या मिस्ड कॉल देने के लिए दिया है?
अरे नहीं, मतलब वो किसी को पसंद नहीं आता है ना, इसीलिए।
ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, तुम मुझे फोन कर सकते हो। By the way, are you online?
नहीं हूँ मैं ऑनलाइन।
अरे तो ऑनलाइन आना, चैट पे बात करते हैं। यो।
चैट पे तुम्हारी आवाज कैसे सुनूंगा?
सच अ फ्लर्ट। आता विचारेन जेवलीस का? क्या बोला तुमने?
मेरा मतलब है कि मैंने वो चैट पे सामने वाले की फीलिंग समझ में नहीं आती है ना, और वो इमोजी, इससे कंफ्यूजन भी बहुत होता है। वो अपन ने कॉल पे बात करी तो चलेगा क्या?
अपन ने अरे हिंदी तो ठीक से बोल।
हमने कॉल पे बात करी तो चलेगा क्या?
ठीक है। यू नो व्हाट रोहित, मैंने आज तक किसी भी लड़के से इतनी देर तक फोन पे बात नहीं की है।
चाहे झुट्टी।
तू सॉलिड है यार। लीव इट। तुम्हें गाने सुनना पसंद है?
हाँ।
कौन से?
रुको प्ले करता हूँ। कौन सा गाना लगाऊं? झिंगट लगाऊं क्या?
पंजाबी लग गया यार।
जद तेनू वेखिया पहली वारी मैं तां तेनू ही तकदा रहा, जचदा नहीं सी तेरे नाल मैं तां फिर भी जचदा रहा, खिचदा रहा तेनू अपनी ओर, तेनू मैं कहंदा रहा, खिचदा रहा तेनू अपनी ओर, तेनू मैं कहंदा रहा। नहीं जीना तेरे बिना सानू देना सजा, ओ हिरिए तेनू ले जाना। जाने ना तू है क्यों तेरी यादों में तन्हा हुआ।
ट्रेनिंग के असाइनमेंट की बात कर रहा हूँ। हाँ मतलब वो भी ठीक ही चल रही है।
बाय द वे वो कैसे बात करती है?
फोन पे।
फोन पे? जी पे? वो पैसा लेके बात करती है।
अरे नहीं रे बाबा, वो मेरे से मेरे फोन पे बात करती है। याद है नंबर एक्सचेंज किया था? हाँ बात करता है।
फोन पे? तू सिर्फ फोन पे ही बात करे रोहित, सामने आने के बाद ना तेरी बोलती बंद हो जाती है।
यार भूमि ऐसा नहीं है, मुझे बस डर लगता है इतना ही।
अरे डर किस बात का? अगर तू सामने जाके बोलेगा नहीं तो तेरा कुछ नहीं होने वाला रोहित।
और मुझे लगता है तुझे उसे जाके सब कुछ सच सच बता देना चाहिए।
हाँ।
ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, वो गुस्सा करेगी, वो लाफ मारेगी, पर रोहित तू उसके साथ लायल रहेगा ना?
तो क्या उसे आई लव यू बोल दूं? अरे गधे, तुझे उसे जाके आई लव यू नहीं बोलना है, तुझे उसे जाके बताना है तू असली रोहित है। और डर किस बात का? एक जाएगी दूसरी आएगी। ये शक्ल देख के ना कोई नहीं आएगी।
लड़कियां शक्ल पे नहीं अकल पे मरती है, समझे? तू भी ना रोहित।
तूने इसे रोहित क्यों कहा?
तूने मुझे रोहित क्यों कहा?
क्यों कहा? हाँ, अरे वो डेयर था।
हाँ, हम लोग ट्रूथ और डेयर खेल रहे थे, उसमें हम लोगों ने हमारे नाम एक्सचेंज किए। मैं रोहित हूँ, वो सनी है, भूमि चाय वाला है, चाय वाला भूमि है। और ये ओसामा बिन लादेन है और ये दाऊद है।
ये क्या बोल रहे हो?
मेरे को भी नहीं समझ रहा।
रोहित कब आएगा?
यही तो है रोहित।
अरे ये नहीं, असली वाला रोहित।
बस आ रहा होगा।
You know what, सनी? रोहित कभी भी टाइम पर नहीं आता।
टाइम पे नहीं आता तो अच्छी बात है ना।
क्या?
नहीं।
पागल हो गया क्या?
चलो गाइस, हम लोग निकलते। हमें हमारा प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग का असाइनमेंट भी करना है। सच बोल देना।
वो जाने दो, तुम यहाँ आओ। अरे यहाँ आओ।
हाँ?
मुझे अपना नंबर दो।
क्यों?
दो ना।
9922 1212 4567।
अरे ये तो 12 डिजिट्स है।
तो लास्ट के 2 डिजिट हटा दो।
मुझे मिस्ड कॉल दो।
मैं कैसे दूंगा तुम्हें मिस्ड कॉल?
क्यों? तुम्हारे पास मेरा नंबर नहीं है?
मेरे पास कैसे होगा?
अरे तो रोहित से ले लेते ना।
तेरे को बुरा लगता है ना?
हाँ, पर तू तो मेरा फ्रेंड है।
फ्रेंड?
हाँ, चलो।
क्या लेके चल रही है?
फ्रेंडशिप, दोस्ती, प्यार, मैत्री, यस! आज इनकी दोस्ती हो गई।
तो क्या लगता है आपको, इनकी दोस्ती प्यार में बदलेगी? या सनी मारेगा मौके पे चौका? तो जानने के लिए देखते रहिए रिपोर्टिंग लाइव, चाय वाला और मैं।
चाय वाला और मैं क्या? ये हम दोनों की कहानी नहीं है, ये रोहित और रोशनी की कहानी है।
हमारी नहीं है तो क्या हुआ, हो तो सकती है ना।
अरे रे अरे बन जाए ना कहीं कोई अफसाना।
अरे रे अरे कुछ हो गया कोई न पहचाना। अरे रे अरे बनता है तो बन जाए अफसाना।
ओरे मनवा तू तो बावरा है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है। तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है बावरे, क्यों दिखाए सपने तू सोते जागते। जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, जो बरसे सपने
I'll pay for it.
चलेगा।
Excuse me, दो कोल्ड कॉफी।
रोशनी, मुझे तुम्हें कुछ बताना है।
हम
हंसेगी नहीं ना? मतलब मुझे लड़कियों से बात करना नहीं आता।
I'm sorry, मैं हंस रही हूँ।
It's okay.
तुम जब हंसती हो ना
तो बहुत क्यूट दिखती हो।
वो छोड़, मुझे पता तू लड़कियों से बात क्यों नहीं कर पाता?
मुझे डर लगता है।
Oh, so sweet.
इसमें स्वीट क्या है?
तू नहीं समझेगा। मुझे बता तुझे कौन पसंद है? बोल दे। तू शर्मा रहा है। बाय द वे, जब शर्माता है ना तो बहुत क्यूट लगता है।
मुझे क्यूट बोली? थैंक यू।
अब बता कौन पसंद है तुझे?
अपने कॉलेज की है वो।
क्या करती है?
क्या पता, यही कहीं होगी।
शायद कॉफी पी रही होगी। तू उससे बात करता है?
नहीं ना, सिर्फ देखता हूँ।
सिर्फ देखता है? और क्या करता है?
कुछ नहीं।
तो उसे जाके बोल दे।
क्या?
I love you.
अरे भूमि व्यक्ति सुनो, मेरे को I love you बोली। सब लोग सुनो, मेरे को I love you बोली।
अरे ऐसा उससे जाके बोल।
तू क्या पागल है कह रहे?
तू पागल है। अगर प्यार करता है तो उसे बताता क्यों नहीं?
लेकिन अगर उसने मुझे कुछ बोला तो?
क्या बोलेगी?
या तो हाँ बोलेगी या फिर ना बोलेगी।
इसमें इतना क्या टेंशन?
लेकिन उसने अगर मुझे थप्पड़ मारा तो?
क्यों मारेगी?
तू मारेगी?
नहीं, पर प्रपोजल थोड़ा रोमांटिक होना चाहिए। रोमांटिक मतलब? मैं बताती हूँ। ओके, अब समझ, जो लड़की तुझे पसंद है वो मैं हूँ।
हाँ।
और अब मेरी आंखों में आंखें डालकर बोल।
क्या?
I love you.
I love you.
अगर ऐसे बोलेगा ना तो कुछ नहीं होगा।
लेकिन
मुझे प्रपोज करना नहीं आता। मैं बताती हूँ। अपनी आंखें बंद करो।
तूने कुछ किया तो?
ये पागल है क्या? चुप। अपनी आंखें बंद करो। और अब ये सोचो, जो लड़की तुम्हें पसंद है वो तुम्हारी आंखों के सामने है।
हाँ।
अब बताओ तुम्हें उसके बारे में क्या पसंद है?
हाँ।
हाँ, क्या पसंद है पूछा।
जब वो बातें करती है ना तो बहुत क्यूट दिखती है।
और मुझे उसकी आंखों में डूब जाना है।
और जब वो बातें करती है ना तो जैसे मोगरे के फूल खिलते हैं।
और उसे हंसते हुए देख मेरा मन बहुत खुश होता है। और उसके साथ बिताए हुए पल।
हमने फोन पे एक साथ एक गाना सुना था।
क्या?
नहीं कुछ नहीं।
अब ये सोच, जो लड़की तुझे पसंद है वो तुझे छोड़ के जा रही है।
और सिर्फ तेरे ही कहने पे रुकेगी। अब अपनी आंखें खोल और उसे अपने दिल की बात बोल।
रोशनी, रोशनी प्लीज मुझे छोड़ के मत जाओ रोशनी। रोशनी मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ। मैं ही रोहित हूँ, वो तो सनी है। मैं ही तुमसे रोज बात करता हूँ। मुझे तुम्हें बहुत दिनों से बताना था लेकिन नहीं बता पाया। आई एम सॉरी, मुझे माफ कर दो, मुझे माफ कर दो।
सनी, अरे सनी,
हाँ
अकेले में क्या बात कर रहा है? क्या हुआ?
हम लबों से कह न पाए उनसे हाले दिल कभी, और वो समझे नहीं ये खामोशी क्या चीज़ है, और वो समझे नहीं ये खामोशी क्या चीज़ है।
खामोश तो वो रहता है, बात हमेशा मैं ही करता हूँ। सॉरी यार रोशन, डैम लेट। चल मूवी देखने को जाते हैं। हाँ चल चल चल। ए क्या चल चल चल, सिर्फ 2 ही टिकट है। हाँ तो हम दोनों जाते हैं ना। हम दोनों नहीं, हम दोनों।
हम दोनों तो प्रेमी दुनिया छोड़ चले, जीवन की हम सारी रस्में तोड़ चले। कहाँ
हम दोनों तो प्रेमी दुनिया छोड़ चले,
जीवन की हम सारी रस्में तोड़ चले। हम दोनों तो प्रेमी।
ठीक थी।
क्यों?
कि मुझे इतनी कुछ खास नहीं लगी। अब वो छोड़, मुझे कॉलेज के पास कुछ काम है, मैं वो करके घर चली जाऊंगी। तू चला जा।
ओके बाय।
बाय।
हाय रोशनी।
हाय।
अरे वो ना, तुझसे कुछ बात करनी थी यार।
बोलो ना, तुम 2-3 दिन से मुझे बोल रहे हो और मैं इतनी बिजी थी कि मैं भूल गई। बोलो ना, क्या हुआ?
यहाँ नहीं, घर जाके बात करते हैं। तुझे बहुत कुछ बताना है।
ठीक है, चलो। क्या हुआ? इतनी सीरियस क्यों है?
एक्चुअली रोहित, तुझसे कुछ बात करनी थी पर टाइम ही नहीं मिला। आज जाके मौका मिला है। वो बात एक्चुअली ऐसी है ना कि कैसे बताऊँ यार, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
तू गुस्सा तो नहीं करेगी ना?
आज तुझे ये बात बतानी ही होगी।
वो जिससे तू बात करती है ना, वो सनी है और सनी ही रोहित है। उन्होंने अपने नाम एक्सचेंज किए।
गोलमाल है भाई, सब गोलमाल है। गोलमाल है भाई, सब गोलमाल है।
भले ही हमने हमारे नाम एक्सचेंज किए।
अरे गोलमाल है भाई, सब गोलमाल है।
मुझे उसे बताने में बहुत डर लगता है, कहीं वो मुझसे बात ही ना बंद कर दे।
ये क्या कंफ्यूजन है? मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा।
रोहित रोहित नहीं है और सनी सनी नहीं है।
तू ये क्या कह रही है?
अरे मैंने कहा ना, उन्होंने अपने नाम एक्सचेंज किए। रोशनी,
What? Are you kidding me?
किडिंग? तुझे क्या लगता है सनी के ये सब करने से तुझे रोशनी मिल जाएगी? नेवर। अरे वो रोशनी को लेके चला जाएगा और तेरी जिंदगी में बस रह जाएगा अंधेरा। तू कितने साल से जानता है सनी को? 5? मैं उसको स्कूल के टाइम से जानती हूँ। वो मेरा बचपन का दोस्त है। We had an affair। वो मेरा एक्स है।
क्या?
ये रास्ते की एक टेढ़ी चाल है, सीधे रास्ते की एक टेढ़ी चाल है। गोलमाल है भाई, सब गोलमाल है। गोलमाल 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 है, सब गोलमाल है।
सनी का छोड़ और खुद का देख। तू मेरी दोस्त है इसलिए मैं तुझे ये सब बता रही हूँ।
पर श्रेया, मैं उससे फोन पे भी बात करती हूँ।
अरे तू जिससे फोन पे बात करती है वो अलग इंसान है और तू जिससे मिलने जाती है वो अलग। तुझे क्या लगता है रोशनी को समझ नहीं आएगा कि जिससे फोन पे बात कर रहा है वो तू और जिससे मिलने जा रहा है वो सनी है?
उसे एक ना एक दिन तो पता चल ही जाएगा।
वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ।
आज वो दोनों मूवी भी देखने गए हैं। वो पक्का उसे कॉर्नर सीट पे बिठा के पॉपकॉर्न खिला रहा होगा।
अबे घोचू, कॉर्नर सीट पे बैठकर कोई पॉपकॉर्न नहीं खाता।
तो क्या करते हैं?
नहीं है ना मुझ पे? आज सनी के साथ मूवी पे गई थी ना? जा रोहित के घर पे, सनी वही पड़ा रहता है। आज दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी हो जाएगा।
तो फूट चुका है भांडा, अब होगा दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी।
अरे पर मैंने भी तो वही कहा।
अरे हमारी तो आदत ही है हर बात को दोहराना। तो देखते रहिए सनी और रोशनी की कहानी।
अरे बाबा रोहित।
हाँ वही सनी और रोहित की कहानी।
अरे रोशनी।
अरे हाँ बाबा हाँ, देखते रहिए इन दोनों की कहानी।
गोलमाल है भाई सब गोलमाल है, हर सीधे रास्ते की एक टेढ़ी चाल है, सीधे रास्ते की एक टेढ़ी चाल है। गोलमाल है भाई सब गोलमाल है, गोलमाल 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 है सब गोलमाल है।
यार अभी सनी कहाँ रह गया?
हमें क्या पता,
वो पक्का उसे पॉपकॉर्न खिला रहा होगा।
अरे वो सन्नी है सन्नी, उसको पाप का नहीं, उसको घर लेके गया होगा।
रुको उसको कॉल करता हूँ। हाँ सनी, मूवी खत्म हो गई ना? कहाँ है तू? क्या तू उसके घर पे क्या कर रहा है? नहीं वो सब कुछ मुझे नहीं पता, तो अभी क्या भी यहाँ?
ऐसे कैसे आऊं?
अरे पागल आ ना, तू उसके घर पे क्या कर रहा था?
घर पे गया ही नहीं मैं।
तू उसको पॉपकॉर्न खिला रहा था ना?
खिलाया नहीं, खरीद के दिया। अरे हम लोग फोन पे क्यों बात कर रहे हैं? फोन रख। 200 रुपए ला।
काय के लिए?
पॉपकॉर्न के।
तूने उसका हाथ पकड़ा था ना? तू उसको पॉपकॉर्न भी खिला रहा था ना?
वाह 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 रोहित वाह, तेरा स्टेटस तो बहुत बढ़ गया। अरे और तुम दोनों क्या तुम दोनों इसको क्या सिखा रहे हो?
मैं लॉजिक
और मैं तो फैमिली ला।
कैसी है तू? हाँ अच्छी होगी, अभी तो हम लोग मिले थे। हाँ और मूवी कैसी थी? अरे हाँ ये सवाल तो मैंने तुमसे ऑलरेडी पूछ लिया। थैंक यू मेरे साथ मूवी आने के लिए। कहाँ हो तुम?
रास्ते में ही हूँ। और तुम?
मैं घर पहुंच गया। क्या मूवी थी यार, स्ट्रैटेजी पूरी जबरदस्त। ऋतिक रोशन प्लेन उड़ा रहा है कड़क, एक्शन आहा, डिशुम डिशुम डिशुम।
What the hell is going on here?
रोशनी वो
वो तो क्या तुम लोग का, चुप रहे। और अभी सुन, सच ये है, ये रोहित है और ये सनी है, ये दोनों मिलके तुझे बना रहे थे। और अभी तुम दोनों भाई और तू भाड़ में जाओ। ये चल वेंगी।
एक मिनट। लिसन रोशनी, ये रोहित है ना, उसको तो बहुत पसंद है, और ये सामने आने से हमेशा डरता था, इसलिए उसने मुझे भेजा। सॉरी यार।
सॉरी? चीप हो तुम। तुम्हारी कोई औकात नहीं है कि तुम ये फ्रेंडशिप भी रखो।
ये रोशनी लिसन।
सनी तू चुप बैठ। तू इतना नीचे गिर जाएगा मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था।
देख रोशनी, मैं क्या ओरिएंट कर रही है? आजकल ना इंस्टाग्राम पे 2 दिन में लड़कियां बढ़ जाती है और कुछ भी करने को रेडी हो जाती है। और वैसे भी हम लोगों ने कुछ किया है क्या?
तू अपने आप को उनसे क्यों कंपेयर कर रहा है?
रोशनी मुझे डर लग रहा था, इसीलिए मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा।
अगर तू मेरे पास आता तो मैं क्या तुझे खा जाती?
मुझे लगा कि हमारा बात करना भी बंद हो जाएगा।
अरे तूने मेरी पोस्ट पे कमेंट किया था ना, सुपर।
तो अगर कल मैं रणबीर कपूर के फोटो पे कमेंट करूंगी तो उसका मतलब ये हो जाएगा कि मैं उसे रोहित समझ बैठूंगी।
फालतू की बड़बड़ बंद कर दे। जब तू मेरे साथ घूम रही थी तो तुझे एक बार भी नहीं लगा कि मैं असली रोहित नहीं हूँ?
कैसे समझता यार सनी, मुझे क्या सपना आने वाला था?
तो तू क्या आवाज नहीं पहचान पाई? उसका चेहरा देखकर फिसल गई।
शराब रोहित, दुनिया में अगर चेहरा देख के रोहित किसी को पसंद करते तो भगवान किसी को फीलिंग देते ही नहीं ना। ये जो तुम दोनों ने किया है ना, वो बहुत घटिया है। हमसे इतनी देर फोन पे
रोशनी रोशनी सुनना रोशनी
ये ले चाय पी लो।
लेकिन पहली की उधारी
ये मेरी तरफ से।
थैंक यू। अरे जा 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 जा। रोशनी हाय रोशनी।
हाय सनी।
आई एम सॉरी यार।
मुझे क्यों सॉरी बोल रहे हो सनी?
मुझे तुम्हें हर्ट नहीं करना था।
पर अब तो मैं हर्ट हो गई सनी।
मुझे डर लग रहा था यार।
किस बात का डर?
मुझे लगा कि हमारा बात करना भी बंद हो जाएगा।
वो तो अब वैसे भी होने वाला है।
यार रोशनी मुझे मेरे चेहरे से बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स है। मुझे लगा कि तुम मेरी तरफ देखोगे भी नहीं। और तुम्हें वो रोहित, मेरा मतलब है वो सनी पसंद है।
तुम्हें क्या पता मुझे कौन पसंद है? मुझे वो रोहित पसंद है जो मेरे लिए गाने डेडिकेट करता है। वो रोहित जो दिन रात मुझसे फोन पे बात करता है। वो रोहित पसंद है मुझे, तुम नहीं।
रोशनी
मुझे तुमसे कोई बात ही नहीं करनी।
रोशनी सोशल मीडिया पे बात करना बहुत आसान होता है क्योंकि वहां पे वो इंसान नहीं, उसका फोटो दिखता है। और अगर उस इंसान को गुस्सा आ जाए तो बस वो एक स्माइली भेज देता है। लेकिन अगर वही इंसान हमारे सामने आ जाए तो उसके एक्सप्रेशंस उस स्माइली से कई ज्यादा डरावने होते हैं। और मुझे वो एक्सप्रेशन से बहुत डर लगता है। अब तो वो स्माइली से बात करने की आदत हो गई है यार। मैंने अगर कुछ कहा तो लोग उस पर क्या सोचेंगे, यही सोचते सोचते मेरा पूरा दिन चला जाता है। नहीं है मुझ में हिम्मत, डर लगता है मुझे। नहीं है मुझ में इतनी हिम्मत। कंडक्टर को छुट्टा नहीं दिया तो वो चिल्लाएगा, उसका डर। घर पे खाना नहीं खाए तो मां चिल्लाएगी, उसका डर। बिल्डिंग में साला लिफ्ट का गेट बंद नहीं किया तो वॉचमैन चिल्लाएगा, उसका डर। हर जगह बस डर, सिर्फ डर। नहीं जीना मुझे। डरपोक हूं यार मैं, डरपोक हूं। मेरे जैसे ऐसे कई लड़के हैं इस दुनिया में जिनको उनके चेहरे का बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स है, क्योंकि ये दुनिया अक्ल पे नहीं शक्ल पे चलती है। इसीलिए मैंने रोहित को, हो सके तो मुझे माफ कर दो। आई एम सॉरी रोशनी।
इतना क्या सोच रही है? इससे अच्छा लड़का तुझे नहीं मिलेगा, जाके बोल दे।
पर उसकी शक्ल तो
ठीक है
तो अब मैं क्या करूं? हम मन है
तुझे कंफ्यूज करेंगे ही।
मेरी बात मान, उसे जाके अपने दिल की बात बोल दे।
लेकिन
अरे लेकिन क्या?
देख रोहित अच्छा लड़का है।
वो अच्छा नहीं, बहुत अच्छा लड़का है। इतना कभी कुछ बोलता नहीं, मगर आज बहुत कुछ कह गया।
इस गोलमाल दुनिया में वो एक ही है जो सीधा साधा है।
और वैसे भी तेरे चक्कर में उसने बहुत लेक्चर्स बंक किए।
और शायद वो इस बार फेल भी हो जाएगा। इसीलिए अब तू उसे बोल दे ताकि हम सब उसे कह पाए कि पप्पू पास हो गया।
जा।
जाती है। भोला है तू बहुत और क्यूट भी। इतना तो मुझसे फोन पे बात करता था, चैट भी करता था, तो कभी कुछ बोला क्यों नहीं?
I love you. I love you too.
अरे वो उसे बोलना था। I love you too.
तो ये थी रोहित और रोशनी की कहानी।
और मेरी?
चल रहे। हाँ, तो ऐसी ही कहानियाँ जानने के लिए देखते रहिए।
एक सेकेंड।
तू है कौन? ABACL Gossips एक पाउल पुड़े।
Resham, after watching the drama, all I can say is, एक lover boy,
प्यार में डूबा
छपाक.
The acting was so surreal, I couldn't even recognize that they were my college mates. Can we please have a huge round of applause for this Oscar-worthy performance?
Now, as they say, all good things must come to an end. But don't worry,
क्योंकि picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
Signing off as your hosts for this segment of tonight, Aniket Mehta
And Resham Sharma. Please put both your hands together for your host for the next and the last segment for tonight. The very cheerful and the very jolly Khushbu Tiwari and Soham Paithankar.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Resham, for this beautiful introduction. और अब जब रेशम ने हमारे हाथ में ये सूत्र संचालन की भागदौड़ थमा ही दी है, तो मैं अपने दर्शकों से जानना चाहूंगी, हाउ इज द जोश?
यार इनका जोश हाई ही होगा, मैं जो यहाँ खड़ा हूँ।
इतना कॉन्फिडेंस?
हमारे ऑडियंस से पूछ लेते हैं।
आवाज नहीं आई, लगता है कोई जानता नहीं तुम्हें। डोंट वरी, हम मौका देते हैं टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
So good evening everyone. I Soham Paithankar from second year BLLB.
And I Khushbu Tiwari from third year BLLB. Welcome you all to this very best and the last segment of today's evening.
वैसे तेरे सबको पता ही होगा कि समंदर हमेशा से कितना स्पेशल रहा है बॉम्बे के लिए। इनफैक्ट आयशा, ओ खुशबू, तुम्हें ये बारिश में देखना चाहिए। मैन, बॉम्बे मॉनसून्स आर टू डाई फॉर।
बिल्कुल, जैसे वो बारिश की रिमझिम बूंदे, साथ में मिट्टी की सौनी सौनी खुशबू, गरम गरम वड़ा पाव विद 2 कप चाय आर ऑलवेज स्पेशल फॉर मी।
बात तो सही है, but just as monsoon brings the comfort with hot vada pav and chai to you, the famous folk culture Koli dance hold a special place in the hearts of people living in Maharashtra.
कोली डांस? ये क्या है? मैंने नहीं सुना।
आता तू हिंदी, तुला कसा माहिती असेल कोली डान्स काय? So let me tell you about it. The Koli dance originates from the coastal communities of Maharashtra, celebrating their rich maritime heritage through their beautiful and vibrant costumes.
Oh, that's the reason students are ready in the green room with their vibrant attire. So don't kill me with more suspense. हमारी audience भी तो इंतजार कर रही है।
So ladies and gentlemen, और मेरे दोस्तों, are you ready to be transported to the mystical shore of Maharashtra, experiencing a twist of folk dance? Please put your hands together for next performance.
हाय कोली सोरील्या डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मारतीन कोली हानल्यान गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी हाय कोली सोरील्या डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मारतीन कोली हानल्यान गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी बाजारी लोकांच्या नजरा पडतील गो तुझ्यावरी चला गपारू करतेस यो नखरा चल जाऊ बाजारी बेसावचे बाजारी लोकांच्या नजरा पडतील गो तुझ्यावरी चला गपारू करतेस यो नखरा चल जाऊ बाजारी चल गपारू आयली ही हिरो कर बाजारची तयारी सरक्याची टोपली माथ्यावर ठेवून बेसावची पारू नेसली गो नवा सारा बेसावची पारू नेसली गो नवा सारा जाऊ चल गो पंधराला ग पारू दर्याचे तुंगेला जाऊ चल गो पंधराला ग पारू दर्याचे तुंगेला बोलतय नवरा कुणाचा येतो त्यांच्या करवल्या गो करवल्या नाजूक साजूक त्या नेसल्या गो नेसल्या पैठणी साऱ्या त्यांच्या डोई मंदी सायलीच्या गो येण्या पायी पैंजण गो वाजती रुन झुन छुन छुन
पायी पैंजण गो वाजती रुन झुन छुन छुन या कोदांड्यावर ना बोलते नवरा कुणाचा येतो 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 या कोदांड्यावर ना बोलते नवरा कुणाचा येतो
कि आखिर में कोली डांस है क्या? It is so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a
वाओ
यार हमारे कॉलेज में लोग बेयर एक्ट और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अलावा इतना अच्छा डांस भी कर लेते हैं, ये आज पता चला। बचपन में डांस सीख लेना चाहिए था हमें भी।
It would have been a backup option for you, right? Though I'm happy that I'm always at the other side of the stage, watching these performances and appreciating them. वैसे भी ऑडियंस में बैठ के सबकी तारीफ करना कोई छोटी मोटी बात नहीं है, उसके लिए भी टैलेंट लगता है, टैलेंट।
No wonder you are acting as the male version of गीत from जब we met. But अगर तुम गीत हो तो तुम्हारा शाहिद कपूर कहाँ है, हाँ?
खुशबू, तुम्हें जलने की बदबू नहीं आ रही? बाय द वे, शाहिद ने तो सिनेमा से एग्जिट ले ही लिया है, बट recently entered the cinema, back with a banger of films. Did you watch his recent movie, तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया?
मैंने नहीं देखी है उलझा जिया, पर तुम अपनी बातों में मुझे जरूर उलझा रहे हो। पर तुम्हारी ये सारी कोशिश पानी में गई 6 पैर।
हंसना था।
हाँ।
Moving forward, our own very Bollywood dhamaka performance, which is indeed going to set the vibe of not Be Khayali, but surely Nagada Nagada.
So put your hands together for our next performance.
ये दिल ये दिल ये दिल
दिल तेरे लिए बेताब है जान जा, दर्द जिगर कैसे बयां तुझसे करे दिल बेजुबां। ये दिल गुस्ताख दिल तेरे लिए बेताब है जान जा, दर्द जिगर कैसे बयां तुझसे करे दिल बेजुबां। ये दिल
गलियां जी, पीठ पे लचके तेरी सुपर डुपर कमरिया, हाथ में डाले हाथ नचेंगे सारी रात, आज मिला है हमको सुपर सुपर सांवरिया। दाएं से थोड़ा बाएं से हो, आज हिला दे सारी दुनिया, जब देखो बना दी लाल पीली अखियां, जब देखो बना दी लाल पीली अखियां, मैं नहीं डरता भले ही काटो अखियां, मैं नहीं डरता भले ही काटो अखियां।
Like this, make it knock, 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 knock like this.
चल चल सड़कों पे होगी ठन 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 ठन।
गले लग जा, ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रखूं, मेरे पास आ, मेरे पास आ। तो मुलाकातों में, काली रातों में, बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया, तेरी बातों में उलझा जिया, बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया, तेरी बातों में मैंने दिल खो दिया।
What a dhamakedar performance that was. I enjoyed every bit of it and could see all of them vibing with Teri baat mein aisa uljha jiya.
Yes, it indeed left us feeling energetic, and that's what you call a performance. And now, the part of the event which we don't want so early, but here we are, at the end of our grand annual day 2024, collecting all the snippets of annual day in a bag full of memories. Thank you so much. Awesome.
छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया छैया सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया छैया पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया चल छैया 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 छैया
Start.
What a dhamakedar performance that was. That was you call an ending.
और इसी धमाकेदार चीज के साथ आज सोहम पैठनकर signing off for tonight. Thank you so much.
अब बोलने की जरूरत तो लगती नहीं है, पूरा ऑडियंस ऑलरेडी खड़ा है, पर मैं याद दिलाना चाहती हूँ कि अभी मौका है हमारे देशभक्तों को याद करने का। सो जो बैठे हैं वो भी खड़े हो जाए हमारे नेशनल सॉन्ग के लिए।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां